2009, the God airdrop is accelerating kingdom expansion. It was introduced at 31 cents. And in August 30, 2014, they raised $16 million.
My coin stats, Facebook, and in Zoom.
My question is that I have a few of those accounts, like cryptocurrency accounts, and I'm confused about what I have and what I don't have.
The whole purpose of this is you can see everything of all your whole wallet. Just connect a wallet and just connect an Ethereum wallet and then just put the address.
On a side note, Alejandro, did you notice that there was a prophetic words for the South American countries that they're going to be very rich? And so with that being said, a lot of South American countries are going to follow suit to what El Salvador did. Here, Bitcoin went at 33K and then 60K and then 36K. You want to avoid buying Bitcoin all in the top price. Building on top of that, and then we talked about how the kingdom is defense first versus offense.
All right, guys. Gonna get started. A lot of my thing is not really connected. Sorry, guys, we didn't get to have that rolling, but hopefully you guys can see and hear me. Okay, I see Mike's there, and Liz, and Eric. The coaches, Jimmy's in the house, Deborah, Joseph, HP, and Helen. I think we're gonna have a nice, intimate. John, not sure why that stream is going in the bottom. Okay, an intimate setting today, guys. So my name's Erwin Garcia. If you haven't met me, I do see some familiar faces. My mic's not even connected, so I can get rid of that. A lot of technical difficulties today, guys. It's gonna be a very, oh, it does work. Is it working? Oh, it is. Okay, that was very strange. I thought it wasn't working. Mic. Okay, I guess it's working. No, don't need this. All right, so hopefully you guys hear me in Zoom and in StreamYards. If you guys can turn on your cameras, that would be great. So hopefully this is around 90 minutes. Post in the chat if you haven't met me here. I'm curious. Eric, I'm not sure what country that is, but let me know what country that is. But post in the chat, guys, where are you from? I'd love to know where you're from. I am losing power. So I definitely need adapter. Should be there, or can I use yours? Okay, a lot of technical difficulties today here. South Africa, wow. New Mexico, Mike, right there. So Aruba, wow, Aruba's in the house. So guys, I'm gonna get started with my slides. My name is Erwin Garcia, and once again, I'm hoping this should be around 90 minutes or so in there for this webinar, the last one for this. And once again, we're going to talk about AI trading bots. Another thing to post in the chat, guys, let me know if you guys hold cryptos. Type in one in the chat if you hold cryptos already. Type in two if you don't, or you're like, I have no idea what cryptos is. So I'm assuming everyone here already has cryptos. So I'm excited here. So once again, it sounds like it's going to be a very intimate call today. So Deborah doesn't have crypto, so we help you out with that as well. No worries, Deborah and Joseph. So we will help you out as well in there as well, crypto. So this is about crypto AI trading. I actually want to simplify it. It's basically, type in the chat, guys, money in, AI, more money out. There it is. Simplify this as quick as possible. I guess I'm going to do an intro this way. Actually, you know what? I'm going to simplify it that way. So that's another thing. Type in the chat, guys. Money in, AI, more money out. That's what the most simplest way to talk about this AI bot. But let's do this properly in this call. Trying to just get us some, what do you call that? So I'm trying to get some power because I have no more power and I'm at 41%. I'll tell my wife 41%. Okay. All right. So here it is. Yeah, guys. So there's 2 draws today as well. If you guys turn on your cameras 80% of the time, I'll give you out my level 1 investing program. There is going to be a program after this for you guys to join us. And I'm also going to give out our level 1 AI coaching program, value 3,000. You must have your cameras 80% of the time and stay till the end. Okay, so let's get to it already. My name is Erwin Garcia. I am from the Philippines. I am now here in Canada, hence all this sweater. I can't wait to go to Florida. We're driving there already on the 28th, heading there to the 30th. But that's a picture of me in the Philippines. Let me see here. I think there it is. That's of me, picture in the Philippines, and this is me in picture in Canada. Okay, so where's my slides here? Wanted to be full time in the ministry without church paying for me. Ended up in IT consulting, where the Lord had me in a different path. Instead of Bible school, I ended up doing University of Toronto software engineering class, and wanted to be full time in the ministry without the church paying for me. I ended up, the Lord wanted me to learn skills in these various companies. You can check me out on LinkedIn, and He gave me a crypto dream, which I treasure a lot. Long story cut short, it has to do with cryptos, and that's why I got into cryptos. March 2nd, 2014 was the dream. 3 days later, March 5th, 2014. And that's where I hit $4.56 million, helping others be financially free. Hopefully, that's why I'm a little bit qualified to talk to you guys about cryptos and AI trading bots, and helping a lot of people out there. 4,820 contacts, 438 plus members, 162 cities, 79 countries. So this is amazing. Been trained with Bill Johnson. Manuel Johnson's a friend. Coach Don's been helping me help me out. My mentor Pedro Adeo, Rami, who's those are professional finance advisors. There's Will Hart of Iris Ministry. So I've been around. There's one of my mentors, Richmond Din, Prophet Katker, Brother Brian, and of course, I think I have various pictures. I like taking pictures with our members, past, current, and future. So you can see there some various pictures of my past members. Hopefully, they don't mind that I'm showing this pictures online. And there's my beautiful family. I am married to my beautiful wife, Asmina Garcia, who is an evangelist and a prophet, an author. She's amazing, and she's just watching our 7 beautiful children upstairs right now. I'm in our basement studios. Guys, type in the chat. If you had all the time in the world, all the money in the world, what do you see yourself doing every day for free? Okay, I'm just gonna look at all your photos in there. Type in the chat, guys. Let me know, if you had all the time in the world, all the money in the world, what do you guys see yourself doing every day for free? I love asking that because that's what I want to help out here. Let me know, Mike, Liz, Eric, Jimmy, coaches, Joseph as well, Deborah, what that is. Okay, so let's get going. Helping others, teaching. So this is good. This is good. So this is why I do this, to get people be financial freedom so that they can help out this. Or if you're financially free, I think I just talked to another lady and she's retired, and I'm like, get your retirement much faster and much comfortable, right? So who here wants their retirement much faster and more comfortable? Wave your hands at me. You want your retirement to be much faster, more comfortable. Type that in the chat. Okay, so here it is, guys. I didn't get to update this as I get better and better. I already said, you know what, because some people don't even understand what is going on in here. So long story cut short, guys, type in the chat, buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Okay, buy low, sell high. So you can see here, Bitcoin. I don't have enough time to talk about this. It's just the evolution of money, the next step of money. You can see how Bitcoin went as low as $80,000 and went as high as 126. So what do? You buy low at 80,000 and you sell at high for 826. So what I said earlier, crypto AI trading bots simply buy lows and sell highs for you automatically. Okay, so I'm finding language now here. Like, guys, I just type in the chat, AI rent collected. AI rent collected. Basically, you start making money in your sleep because the bot just buy lows and sell highs forever. Okay, so hopefully that helps out here. And that's why I said, you know what, let me use this slide. In the last 24 hours, you can see Bitcoin simply went as high as $89,000. And you can see here, it went as low as 86. So what do? You buy low at 86 and you sell high at 89. Okay, so if you had one Bitcoin, you bought low at $86,000 and you sold high at $89,000. How much money did you make, guys? Type in the chat if you bought Bitcoin at $86,000 and you sold out at $89,000, how much money did you make, guys? Type in the chat. Type in the chat how much you made. There you go, $3,000. And that's what I'm going to talk about today. Simply, what I'm going to talk about today is the AI trading software does this for you in your sleep and forever till you run it. Who here likes something like that? Wave your hands at me like, wow, this is amazing. Buy low, sell high forever. That's what I'm going to talk about today. And with that being said, hopefully this is it. That's why Manuel Johnson. Anybody know Prophet Manuel Johnson here? Wave your hands at me. Type in 1 in the chat if you know him. Type in 2 if you don't. AI trading is bigger than any investment God has shown me. AI trading, I'm telling you, that is the key. You can do that. You don't have to worry about a lot of things. You don't have to worry about the market. This is amazing. The AI learns. Type in the chat, guys. AI learns. AI learns. So that means if the market goes up, down, left, and right, it keeps making money. Zion Oil and Gas. Anybody have Zion Oil and Gas here? That's amazing. All others are amazing, but this is number one. So this is crazy. We're already retiring people comfortably faster with this. Just for fun here, Erwin Garcia, go to his Facebook. Maybe you make this a little bit smaller, John. Okay, I guess I don't have anybody in StreamYard. Emmanuel, that's why I wanted John and Famous there. Okay, now I have to do this myself. Team, please, I really need your help right now. Because there's nobody in StreamYard. Okay, Erwin Garcia, go to his Facebook and as you let man learn from this guy. He's a man of God. So that's really cool from Prophet Manuel. It's not hard. Who here wants easy stuff? Wave your hands at me. Nice and easy. Okay, guys, we're setting people up between 30 minutes to two days on this, especially if you're Canadian. The Americans, there's a 2-week wait on your specific special ID. The ID actually costs around $300. This is another thing I learned from feedback from the last webinar. It does cost $300 if you're American to have access to this with a special Palau card, a country Palau card. Okay, so I just want to let you know that on top of the initial investment. Once again, this is not financial advice. It's for educational purposes only. I am not a professional finance advisor. Okay, I'm just teaching you guys my experience. So here it is. You'll be making money when you're awake. You'll be making money when you're having a tough day. It won't be a tough with your AI. I'm sure Prophet Manuel Johnson says that. So here it is, a few slides. There are people, and I released that prophecy several months ago, and nobody knew what I was talking about. I didn't know what I was talking about. This is Prophet Manuel speaking, because I heard a download. God gave me that download about AI trading, and Erwin Garcia found it. He found it. Guys, post in the chat, AI trading early. AI trading early. We are very early on this. So think of when they started figuring out having real estate or Zion Oil and Gas and stocks, or buying silver and gold, and no one has thought about it. And now people are starting to learn about it and being financially free and financial independence. This is where we're at with AI trading. Okay, AI trading is bigger than any investment that God has ever shown me. AI right now will be one of the biggest wealth transfer in history. I love my son. Shout out to Israel Garcia. He made this tree. Who here wants to grow money? Who here wants to grow cryptos? Who here wants to go gold and silver? Wave your hands at me. This is what we're doing for our members, for our users. It's just so amazing. And look at that. It's a beautiful graphic here. And here it is. You will not have to worry about the market, whether it goes up, whether it goes down, when it goes sideways. Even these black swan weird events such as October 11. Okay, Donald Trump did this Truth Social tweet on October 10th, and it crashed the market from 126,000 to 100,000. As you can see there, a big line, and this is amazing. Okay, so I'm going to go back to a previous slide. Thank you, my daughter. Let me put that in. I'm going to leave it here while I plug this on. Give me a second. Thank you, my daughter. Shout out to her. You want to say hi to everybody? She's saying no. Okay, let's keep going. She's amazing. I love you, my daughter. Thank you, as always, for everything. Bye. All right, where's my water? Okay, where's my water? Okay, can't find my water. All right, so this is it, and this is amazing. Here's a little bit of a screenshot of what happened, and as you can see here, long story cut short, the AI trading bot was able to stop further losses. Okay, so you can see here minus 0.6%, and then it stopped it. Here's the stop sign, and then the rest is as usual, business as usual. Okay, so here's another one with Filecoin. You can see the stop there. It stopped it, and then the rest is business as usual. So this is amazing. Guys, type in the chat. AI is better than Bitcoin. AI trading is better than Ethereum. AI trading is better than XRPs and oil and gas, gold, silver, businesses, real estate, paper assets, stocks, retirement funds, collectibles. Use the AI trading profits to buy all these other assets. Who here wants to accumulate assets? Wave your hands at me. Never have to worry about finances. Man, I'm seeing a lot of cameras off, especially my team members. Team members, please turn it on. Aaron, Sharon, Darl, Philip, Steven. Hey, Philip, Helen, HP. If you guys want to win some awards, you probably want your camera turned on. Okay, because I'm going to give out some awards and 80% of your camera on. Okay, once you learn it, you'll be making money in your sleep. I said this, and then here it is, guys. It's operating at 3 in the morning. It's operating 6 in the morning, 1 in the morning. It's operating at 1 in the morning, 5 in the morning. Guys, 24/7. I'll show you guys some screenshots of it, mine as well. AI trading is right now is the top. Okay, silver just dethroned almighty Google. Okay, this is out of date, guys. But guess what? AI trading is a secret hidden treasure. It's number one. It's better than all of these because this one you have to wait for the market to go up. This makes money whether the market goes up, market goes down, or left, right, and center. Okay, so here's some proof of, a lot of people want to say, hey, okay, by the way, here's some proof showing you that the bot's been running April 2024. There it is, green month. Green means money made, $2,000 made, $1,000 made, $1,000 made. July, okay, this is where the AI didn't make that much money on this month. It was minus, but there you go, plus green again, all the way April, 12 months of total, September 2024, green, a little bit of red, green, 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 green. There it is, 12 months, and it's getting better and better. Guys, type in the chat, AI gets better. AI gets better. Okay, so in this case, we're seeing a 10% drawdown. What does that mean? There's days where, let's say, you put in $1,000 or $10,000 and there's a 10% drawdown, but it's able to recover. And in this case, those days we're seeing less and less of those kind of days. Okay. Some fresh data. Okay. I think I said here some fresh data. Let's look at some fresh data. I'm just logging into the app right now. Give me a second here. And here's some fresh data. I love this because it shows the ranking. It shows the ranking. Here's some fresh data, guys. Who here wants to make $1,000 doing absolutely nothing? Fresh data right there. Daily. This gets refreshed in Australia Western Standard Time. So in this case, as you can see, this is 7 in the morning. Okay, so far in 7 hours, who here wants to make $1,000 while sleeping for 7 hours? Wave your hands at me. Okay, this is what our top user is doing. That's why he's top man, and various users, 7 hours, an hour, $100 an hour. Who wants to make $100 an hour doing absolutely nothing? This is so cool. Alvaro at 804, Alvaro at 686, and various more users here. Who here in 18 days wants to make $26,000? Wave your hands at me. So here's fresh data, $26,000 in 18 days. Size Slick, $7,000, Lion Lee, $5,000, and Maker. I'm like, hey, is that you, Mike, right there? Mike, that could be you, Mike Lera. It's not you, probably not, because Mike Sad, $5,000, and many more in here, guys. Today, I don't like hype. I want truth and facts. I want to balance that. Okay, most scams are hype, guys. Type in the chat, facts over hype. Facts over hype. Of course, I'm hyped up. I'm excited, but I want to show you guys facts. In today, $54,000 made. Okay, $54,000 days for all the users. Today, after 18 days, $106,000 made. Sorry. My bad. $1 million generated in 18 days. Who wants to be part of that? $1 million generated in their sleep. There it is. And of course, all time. By the way, this is out of date because this only gets refreshed every year. We're trying to get this thing to refresh every day. $63 million generated since this was open and released since 2022. Who wants to be part of that $63 million pot? Wave your hands at me. So this is just fresh data. So good. Okay, I got 3 minutes. Multiple accounts. People have multiple accounts. Some people have 9 accounts. Some people have 10 accounts. So there it is, guys. Today I'm going to talk about how to turn an AI crypto software into a fully optimized wealth engine in 2 weeks or less without trading experience or risking your lifestyle. Okay, I'm learning more to talk about facts versus hype for smart investors, high net worth entrepreneurs, business owners who want borderless wealth, time freedom, and legacy security. Okay, this is it. Some AI art, prints money. Literally, I want to go back to this slide here. Literally, here, I think I'm going to go back to my community. Out of our whole 36 activated users, all of them are making money. Okay, we have yet to see someone out of the 36. In fact, at the end of this, we have a guarantee. Guys, type in the chat. Um, Guaranteed to make money. Wow, I can't believe I'm saying that. Guaranteed to make money. When I say that, there are days where it could be minus. Okay, but it's less and less I see those. But when I say guaranteed to make money, I'm saying that the bot will make money by that 30 days, at least by 30 days, and you'll be in the positive. Wow, I have to be careful because if it's a losing month, I'm just thinking now, from what I've seen so far after doing this for a few months now, I have yet to see a losing month, and that's how the AI is getting better. So I can confidently say that, where I'm going to say, hey, if the bot is losing you money, I'll give your money back. There it goes. After 31 days. Okay, 31 days. So there it is. All right, so let's keep going here. Oh, what did I do? View tab StreamYard. Okay, what did I just do there? Okay, hopefully I fixed that. Okay, so here it is. I'm like, I think I screwed it up. I don't know what I did. Okay, I made it smaller. I don't know what happened. Okay, sorry guys. Let me fix this here. Okay, without learning so how I help smart investors, high net entrepreneurs, business owners turn an AI crypto bot in a hedge fund grade wealth engine in 2 weeks or less without learning to trade, watching charts, or risking their lifestyle. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Results vary, guys. Here's a disclaimer, guys. Results there vary. Past results doesn't guarantee future results, guys, because it also obviously it's your timing. Obviously, human error. We saw a little bit of some people have human error mistakes. We're learning how to fix that. How much capital you're using, all of that stuff. So results can vary, as you can see here, whether it's $751 in 30 days, $1,000 in 30 days, $3,000 in 90 days. Some people 178,000 lifetime, $94, 2,000. It all varies. 26,000. As you can see here, $25,000 net profit. It varies. It all depends on the timing you're putting in there. Okay, so yeah, I think there's another screenshot in there. A $10,000 account, $58. I think that was a fresh one in there. Okay, so here's some faces of my past members, their first names. And then some who doesn't want to show their names, projected to 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures. Who here wants to make 6 to 9 figures? Wave your hands at me. So that's what we have in here, guys. So some of our faces. The new AI-driven wealth engine that's reshaping how smart investors, high net worth entrepreneurs build, protect, and multiply capital without becoming a trader. This is for everyone, okay? Anybody here who's ready to multiply wealth, guys. Guys, type in the chat if you want to make more money and more time. What do you sow? Type in the chat. What kind of seed do you need to make more money and make more time? Okay, type in the chat. If you want to make more time, you want to make more money, what do you need to sow? Okay, you probably need to sow more money and more time. Okay, there it is. So this is for people who has the time and the money for this. Okay, all right. The one belief you must have, if I can show you how to leverage a fully passive hedge fund grade AI crypto trading system set up for you in under 48 hours. I already said this. If you don't have access to BitGet Exchange, it'll cost you $300 to get a Palau country ID card to sign up for that one. Canadians have access to that. So you don't need to pay that $300. And then it takes us around 48 hours. That's already producing consistent compounding profits in real accounts without you watching charts, learning code, or risking compliance headaches. I said this already. Out of our 36 users, no one is not making money. They're all making money since day one. It's amazing. Learning code or risk and compliance headaches. You'll see there's no smarter way to grow and protect your wealth in today's economy. Okay, so guys, this is it. From zero to fully operational hedge fund. Look at that. We got 14 people in Facebook and YouTube. Guys, come into the Zoom. Come into the Zoom. That's so good to hear. Team, hopefully make sure you guys are engaging with them. Fully hedge fund grade AI trading in around 2 weeks. Your digital Palau, premium AI bot configuration, and profit compounding strategy set up 100% for you in just 48 hours after ID approval. My goal for this webinar is for you, the only way for you to consistently multiply your capital in crypto with hedge fund level precision is through our Minas AIM system. That is our program. It's called the Automated Investment Machine System, a fully managed AI optimized trading system that adapts in real time. The only way to unlock that level of performance without years of trial, error, and losses is through our flagship core offer stack. There is an offer after this call, guys. Is through our flagship core offer where we configure, launch, and compound your AI bot for you in under 48 hours. Okay. I already showed you guys my dream. I'm going to skip through these slides, guys. This is it. All I want is for the body of Christ. I am a Christian coach, for you to be financially free, financially independent, so that you can live God's calling in your life. Okay. That's what I want here. And the most simplest way. And that's what it is. This is opportunity here. And the 3-part Minas AIM plan. This is it. 3 steps. We help you get your global identity, your digital Palau. It's a country above Australia. So you have access to BitGet exchange. Then we do it for you, done for you. Okay. And do another call, guys. If you guys want more, please turn on your cameras. What I want here, guys? If you want to win a free program, $2,000-$3,000 programs, turn on your cameras 80% of the time. The 12 of you that's not in the Zoom, come in the Zoom. Email support@minastech.ca to get the Zoom link in here. Okay, so we'll do it for you. We'll get the program, do it for you, and we'll help you grow it, compound it, and protect it. Okay, guys, type in the chat. Safer than my bank account. Safer bank account. Safer bank account. We make your crypto exchange safer than your bank account. We will monitor it for you, which is going to be amazing. Okay, so here, let's keep going. I'm going to skip the slides. I'm going to skip these slides. This is it. Okay. All right, skip that slides. This is it, guys. Your dream of having your capital work for you 24/7, compounding like the ultra wealthy without being glued to screens. Okay. If you tried trading or bought before and it didn't work, it's not your fault. Most systems are outdated, unproven, or not adaptive. Okay. You don't want to gamble your wealth or risk compliance headaches. You need safety, precision, and certainty. Okay. I'm going to go to my school. I can even show to you guys. Some people, they don't even come to the program because it's like, okay, I don't need to come to the program because, sorry guys, I'm just getting my school here. I'm out of my link in here. Okay. Some of them, so I'm going to our program right now. This is interesting. Some of them haven't even logged in. I mean, it's going to be crazy here, I'm pretty sure. Last active, I'm going to do the last page of our school. Some of them hasn't even logged in literally 77 days ago. Wow. Some of them 77 days ago. Some of them 16 days ago. Some of them for 220 days ago. Wow, that's just amazing. Like they don't even need, this is guys, type in the chat, set it, forget it bot, set it, forget it bot. It is. Okay. So you've suspected that free bots and guru strategies don't actually deliver. And you're right. They aren't built to hedge fund standards. The traditional financial system and old school trading methods are rigged to keep you stuck while institutions profit with AI. I am behind schedule. Okay. This is it, guys. Instead of you spending years learning to trade, trial and error, all of this, we just make it simple for you. We make it easy for you. Okay. Let me see here. Okay, today I'm going to show it to you guys how the Minas AIM system, our automated investment machine, uses AI-powered crypto bots to create hedge fund level precision without you trading, watching charts, or risking your lifestyle. Okay, here it is. 3 secrets, 15 minutes each. I'm going to go over. I'm going to talk about the wealth vehicle, how to turn a free AI crypto software into a hedge fund grade wealth engine without trading, guesswork, or Wall Street access. I'm going to talk about the internal beliefs. Some of you guys are like, can I even do this? Literally, all we need for you to do is get the card. If you don't have it yet, sign up for your exchange, sign up for the software. And once you have the funds in there, we do everything for you. That's how simple it is. So I'm like, this is so crazy. And secret number 3, I'm going to show you guys the external safety net where every market, whatever it is, you're protected from it. And even now we have even a protection where we monitor your exchange using AI and real humans so that no one can take your money from your exchange safer than your bank account. Okay. So here it is. Secret number 1. Here we go. Secret number 1, how to turn an AI crypto software into a hedge fund grade wealth engine without trading, guesswork, or Wall Street. Okay, guys, this is actually a picture in Orlando, Florida, and I'm going to go back there. It's going to be a really, really fun. I'm going to be there December 30th till March. Planning in-person events. We're going to be setting up bots here. Anybody here from Florida? Anybody near Florida? Literally, I'm planning most of the weeks. When I do this on Thursdays, I'm going to find a room or a meeting place, and I'm going to do this in person and virtually. Okay, so you guys will see me. And then the people that are on site there, after the call, the way I picture it, this is supposed to be around 90 minutes. For some people who are already in our program, I'm going to go invite them, and we're going to set up the bots. And that's only for members only. Literally, that's what my plan is. Okay, so guys, I've been learning crypto since 2014, various coaching programs. I'm enrolled in them, watching videos, all of this, guys, of cryptos, Bitcoins, Ethereums, and time spent and helping so much people be financially free, hitting $4.56 million. Guys, this wealth vehicle is faster than investing and trading. Okay, it's just ridiculous. Such as BTC King. Okay, user results names are shown by username to protect our members. The users was skeptical about crypto bots, thinking they required advanced trading knowledge. After using the crypto AI trading software, $20,000 in profits. Guys, I said fact over hype. This is it. This is just fact here. Top 600 worldwide in performance metrics, confidently leveraging automation to grow wealth passively without watching charts. Coder, a crypto investor looking for a way to grow capital through automation instead of manual trading. After using the crypto AI bot, accumulated an impressive $120,000 in profits, achieved top 40 global rankings on the platform, confidently compounding wealth while freeing up time to focus on higher value opportunities outside of trading. Okay. HS, like many, HS wanted a way to participate in crypto without being glued to charts or worrying about high risk. After using the crypto AI bot, generated an impressive 131,616 in profits, top 35 globally among investors leveraging AI trading software. Okay, enjoys consistent growth and peace of mind while using automation to scale wealth securely. Okay, I think we got some here. Deborah, I apologize, we didn't clean up your names here. I don't know why the names are showing. I thought we blocked it. I think my son moved it. Now I know what happened. I apologize, Deborah. Guys, 220% APY. Okay. LK up to 163% APY. Not sure if Dean's video is ready. I know I kind of, okay, because that was a request by him. I'm going to try to get the screen version of this. I'm not sure my team loaded it. That's fine. Okay, so I'm gonna get it here. Okay, there it is. Hopefully this is a good one. Here it is.
Of Minas Academy. I've been in with the start with foundations and now in trading and legacy masters. Just wanted to give a shout out to Erwin and Minas and the rest of the team. Right now, we're sitting at a 3x with our cryptos, and look to go much higher very soon. We're just at the start of the bull run at the end of January, and I just wanted to talk to you really quickly about my journey. I'm an entrepreneur, and wasn't in day trading or anything per se. I had people managing money for me. And I believe God's, put me in this group for a reason. Now managing my own money and in crypto and a few other investments. But the tools that you'll learn in Minas Academy are incredible. Just from, my start with understanding crypto 101, crypto cycles, timing, protection of your, crypto using anti-phishing software, defense versus offense, how to trade, tools to use, research. We had a plethora of cryptos, both from Erwin and the Academy, and also the Prophet Robin, and they've been, phenomenal. All of those cryptos have done extremely well. Now we're using in the trading class the trading bots, and that's gone extremely well. So I just also want to say the community is fantastic. With everybody in there, whether you're a Christian or not, I highly, highly, highly recommend it, and enjoy being there, and have enjoyed it. So you'll learn a lot, you'll learn quickly, and everybody will help prop you up, and it's all good. So we'll see you in there.
Awesome. Thank you, Dean. Oops, and then I just screwed it up. Sorry, guys. So some people wanted their faces blocked. So they request that. So, and then I think we got LK here. Hopefully this is gonna work. Okay, so here's LK.
And I have been part of the Minas Academy crypto trading course, and we have been using crypto bot, trading bot, to trade cryptos. So that means we select a coin like a XRP or BTC Bitcoin, and then the bot will do the buying selling for us. That takes away a lot of the stress. And the profit so far has been from 2%, 4%, 5.5%, and then the largest one is 13%. And for the 13%, I got a APY that is 163%. And it's very good in walking us through the process, how to set up the bot and discuss the strategy. And it's actually very simple and easy to do. So if you're concerned that you're not tech savvy, there's no problem. And everybody can do it. I just want to say that. And lastly, just want to let you know, remind you that God loves you very much. And He wants you to know that He loves you. He wants to bless you. And He is with you every moment.
Yeah. Okay. I think what else we have in here? I believe we also have Hector. Hopefully, here, let me play Hector's video, and I don't see it. Okay, let's see. This is hopefully here. Okay, and here it is.
To everyone in Minas Academy, my name is Oso. I just want to share a little bit of my testimony, how I got into the Minas Academy. And for a while, Erwin was doing like 5-day challenges, and I just kept watching them. Even though I've already watched a lot of them, and I already knew about crypto, and for about 4 years already, and started investing. But then I wanted to go up higher, And so, anyways, one day when he was talking about trading bots, all that got my attention right away, because, like I said, I wanted to start learning on trading and trading bots. And so let me show you a little bit of my screen and show you what I've done.
This is how much I made for 30 days, and I'm excited because I think I'm going to start making more monthly, and it's at least I started. So, but what's nice about the Minas Academy, apart from everything else, is like we pray for each other. There's daily prayers. There's Bible verses. We're talking about wisdom and wealth. He has special speakers come in. He also has his wife on Wednesdays, and which is nice because it lifts everybody spiritually. She teaches, and just to let you know, it's like I'm getting a lot of confidence in trading and feeling prepared for this wealth transfer. So, but let me tell you this, everybody: if you want to learn crypto, grow in faith, and you want to join a community that wants you to succeed, check out Minas Academy. You won't regret it.
Awesome, Hector. Thank you so much for that. I think we have one more. Here it is.
Let's see. The Pinex bot yesterday was, I guess, buy-in, and I think I think there was one BitGet bot that was selling, and the others were buying. Even though all four were, that is, the current price was within the parameters of all four, but 3 of them were red and 1 was green.
Sorry, that's a little bit too fast. How many green and how many red?
1 was green and 3 were red.
3 were red. So what we can do is, all I had in mind as well is to review the numbers. So if I can see the numbers, that would be great. Because as the profits are making, you can actually cash out the profits. And I do want to highlight this, that what's amazing is they're guaranteed to be green. Does that make sense? So as the price, if this is your range of your bot, as the price goes here, it's all green, guaranteed. Does that make sense, Susan? If it's somewhere in here, definitely if it's down, if the price is below the range, that's a guaranteed red. And then of course, if it's somewhere here, depending on where it is, going up and down, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, it could be green. It also depends on where you enter, right? Where did you enter at that range, at that price? Does that make sense, Susan? Awesome. Thank you, Susan. Hopefully hear what else we have in here. So guys, this is pretty much for everybody. I like showing those videos so you can see that the type of members we have here, from busy entrepreneurs to smart investors to high net worth individuals to crypto newcomers to professionals to global citizens. So let me break some belief. I like doing it here because sometimes this can help with some of your false belief. You're like, can I even do this type of situation? So I usually have like a few of this, starting off with David. From gambling to guided growth, crypto is just, not gonna make this bigger, is just luck and gambling. Realization David had was discover the AI trading software follow proven strategies, guys, proven strategies, not chance. Okay, saw steady compounding returns with clarity and peace. Sarah, the time strap entrepreneur, I don't have the time to trade or watch chart. Realization her AI trading software ran 24/7 while she focused on her business, added a new stream of income without sacrificing her schedule. Okay, that's just amazing here. John, let me close this. What happened there? John here, the Wall Street outsider, wealth building is only for the elite. Okay, AI levels the playing field, no broker or insider access needed. His small start grew to hedge fund like performance. Hannah, fear of losing everything. The markets are too volatile. I'll lose it all. The realization is the AI trading software had built-in risk controls. Guys, type in the chat. Risk controls, AI risk controls, AI risk controls. So alongside the AI risk strategies, there are AI strategies or AI risk controls. Grew her account by 30% while sleeping at night in peace. Peter, okay, Peter here. Let me see. Oops, lost it again. Peter, the non-techie skeptic. I'm not tech savvy enough to use AI. The setup was step-by-step, done for you and guided. No coding required. Result, confidently running his portfolio with zero tech overwhelm. Okay. Ruth, I'm too late. Doubter, I missed Bitcoin early, so it's too late for me. Realization, the AI trading software profit in any market cycle. Guys, type in the chat, any market cycle, any market cycle. Okay, that's amazing. The bull, bear, or sideways. Result, entered during uncertainty and still grew her wealth steadily. Okay, what else in here? Last two, Mark, faith and finance barrier. Okay, what happened to my slide here? Faith and finance barrier. Crypto doesn't align with my values. Realization saw it as a stewardship tool for multiplying resources. The result, use growth to support his family and mission causes. And lastly, Lydia, the legacy thinker. This won't last. It's just hype. The realization understood blockchain and AI trading software as the new financial infrastructure. Result, building generation wealth with confidence for her kids. So literally, guys, from any false belief. Hopefully, you guys are able to resonate for all of that. I want to restate the undeniable truth. Here it is, guys. Here's the truth. Wealth creation is no longer locked behind Wall Street hedge funds or elite insiders. AI powered crypto AI software bots aren't gambling. They're built on strategies that have been tested, optimized, and proven, running 24/7 with precision no human can match. The undeniable truth is this: anyone, no matter your age, background, or experience, can now harness the same tools that once belonged only to hedge funds. This isn't about trading, guessing, or stressing. It's about letting technology work for you, compounding your capital, protecting your downside, and positioning you for generational wealth. I think I haven't done this before. Type in the chat as well. What else false belief do you have with crypto AI trading? Okay, I'm curious here. I do want to participate. I want you guys to participate. What is those other beliefs here, right? Because like guys, while you guys are typing that, man, I was like, someone showed me another crypto AI trading bot scams. I'm gonna show that in my Facebook, guys. You guys can follow me in my Facebook in here. You can search me out, Erwin Garcia, and I posted it. I was like, man, the Zoom call literally. So, guys, by the way, I'm posting some results of profits made. I made another one yesterday, and it's already making profits beyond the regular 5% average. But guys, here it is. Here's another one. 754 days. We have a video watching that. You can check that out. The bot's been performing for 754 days. Okay, real account, real profits. And check this out. This is where I was like, man, they're being scammed. I was in that Zoom call, and this is crazy. Okay, I'm calling you out, Artin Baxton Jr. You're on Facebook. Guys, I mean, if you go to his Facebook page, I'm called that out right now. If you go to his Facebook page, sorry, Arthur. Sorry, I'm gonna call out your scam out here. Aaron Bankston Jr. Isn't it strange how if you go to his page says press a cane. Press a cane. Really, really strange. This is not part of my plan right now. I just need to show this, guys. Guys, people are dropping in 100,000, $1 million on all these scams and Ponzi schemes. Guys, I posted in here. Number one, the Zoom call. They couldn't turn on their cameras. I was like, weird. And you see these numbers, 4573. These are fake accounts. What else? Ponzi scheme. They require you to recruit more people. That's where the money's coming from. So, guys, I just showed that there. As you can see here, I jumped in that call, and it's like just pure scams left, right, and center in that one, guys. So I was like, guys, we have the only known, guys, post in the chat, Minas only one. Minas only one. We are actively looking for any AI trading software. I am reviewing them, and we have the only known working one. Okay, there's others out there. It's not as good. Okay, or it's not as good, or it's not even up to the standard, right? So, guys, I also type in the chat. What are you guys feeling in here? So, just learning. Need more confidence. I don't know how AI helps make the best investment decision. So, Mike, it's a trader. Okay, it's buy low, sell high. Mike, instead of you figure out, once again, guys, I open up with this call. Mike, instead of you, like, I'm going to stay up all night and buy it at 86 and then sell it at 90,000. And I'm going to do it again and again and again. Mike, the AI does that for you. Okay. More proof here. Here it is. This is it. Okay. Because you can see here the profits. There it is. Price, $100.54 profits, profit. Mike, if you're saying you don't know how it makes the best, it trades for you. So number one, it doesn't invest for you. It trades. All it does is buy low and sell high for you nonstop. Okay, let's just learning. Deborah, I think I know him. He tried to get me in. Yes, Deborah. Guys, that's why I'm letting people know about this. We have the only known working one. We have two we're reviewing, but most of them are all scams. Okay. Anna, been scams many times in cryptos. Yes. Shannon, I am so sorry. Anna and Shannon, okay, Guys, who else got scammed in here? Email support@minastech.ca. Anna, this is what I'm going to do for you guys, Anna and Shannon. Email support@minastech.ca. Okay. And let us know your story. Okay. Let me know your story and let me see if I can do something for you. Okay. Anna and Shannon, I don't know if it's like maybe I'll do a discount coupon code, something in there. Okay. Let me go back to the secret number 2. Guys, this is it. Let me go with secret number 2. The secret number 2 is literally talks about the internal limiting beliefs, how to profit from crypto AI trading software. Even if you failed at investing, trading, if you've been scammed before, don't understand the technology, this is it. How did I come up with this, guys? The AI, the cryptos, the trial and error. I've been into AI and automation since year 2000, almost 25 years. Guys, collapse the time for this is my desire. My desire is to collapse the time. I don't need to teach you trading. I don't need to teach you investing. I just need to get you to show you that this crypto AI trading software will do it for you. Okay. When I say this, we'll do the buy low and sell high for you. Guys, type in the chat again. Money in, AI, more money out. Okay. This is it. Okay, the most simplest way. People are getting so confused what this is. And how does that happen? You don't want a black box. And I'm going to keep repeating this because people need to understand this. What is the AI doing? All the AI is doing, it buy low. Guys, type in the chat. AI buy low, AI sell high. Okay, if Bitcoin was less than $100, it would buy anything less than $100. And if Bitcoin was always at $100, and it will sell high at 100. Okay, so let me take some time on that one because some people are like, what is this? I don't want to show this. This is a black box. This is it. What does it do? Okay, this is what it does. Okay, it buys low. So if Bitcoin is around $100, what does it do? It buy low anytime less than $100. Okay, in this case, it buys at 92, it buys at 93, it buys at 94, it buys at 99. And then what? It sells high anytime greater than $100. In this case, what? 101, 102, 103. Okay, and it does this forever in your sleep, non-stop. Is this clear, guys? This is what the AI trading, let me make it simpler. It's like collecting rent. Okay, real estate, collecting rent every hour. Okay, type in the chat, guys. Collect rent every hour. Collect rent every hour. So I'm trying to simplify this. Obviously, you need to know what's happening in the background. It's buying low and selling high. Okay, let me go back to my slides. So, guys, that's my desire to collapse the time. And here it is. I'm going away from my slides. I should just go back to my slides. Okay, so here it is. Okay, you used to do, what is it? Trading, staying in the charts, waiting for the wild transfer. Who here is sick of waiting for the wild transfer, waiting for Bitcoin to go to 1 million, XRP $7 and things to go up? Where you have to me, you're like, oh, I'm waiting. I'm sick of waiting. All right, guys, that's what you used to have to do. Not anymore, guys. This is it. Okay, Dato Fateh Rigski believe crypto trading required years of experience and constant monitoring. After using the crypto AI software, 133,000 profits. Pure facts, not hype, guys. Top 40 worldwide ranking among active users, enjoyed automated growth with peace of mind, proving that AI-powered trading can outperform traditional methods. Okay, On God 1 thought large-scale crypto growth was only possible for hedge funds or professional traders. Okay, after using the crypto AI software, $140,000 in profits. Top 30 worldwide, experiencing exponential returns with automation, proving that everyday investors can achieve hedge fund level results without trading manually. Okay, trading manually, buying low, selling high manually. The AI trading software does that. Okay, Success Team 84 believe it would take an entire trading team to generate consistent profits in crypto. After using the crypto AI trading software, 176,000 in profits. Okay, who here wants me to show a $1 million account and showing how it makes in 7 days, in 30 days, in 90 days, 100 days? If you guys want me to show that, I need more cameras on. Turn on your cameras and wave your hands at me if you guys want me to show a $1 million account. Okay, I need you there, Anna, Anelli, Flourish, Esther, Sharon, Stephen B, Helen, HP, Emmanuel, Darl, P Carp, LL, Shannon. Guys, if you guys get the cameras on, I'm going to show you guys a $1 million account and how it's operating in this. Okay, so our users are not just putting in $100, $500, $1,000, $2,500. They're putting in $100,000 and up to $1 million in this trading bots. Okay, rank among 20 worldwide in performance, operating as a true success team powered by automation, providing that AI trading software can outperform manual strategies at scale. Okay. And here's some of our users. I think Rose is here. Rose, hopefully you don't mind that I didn't fully mask you yet. 338% APR, some outdated slides because I have yet to get the newer ones, but still, hence it's still well known to point out. Okay, Rose here, APR of 252%. Rose here again, she's just crushing it. 405% APR. Here's Hector. We saw him earlier. As you can see here, 147% APY, 157% APY. That's how much you make in a year percentage-wise. At this rate, 124% APY, 95% APY, 391% APY. Let me play Stuart here. Okay, let me play Stuart. Okay, Stuart here. Okay, Stuart, where is he? Oh, there it is.
Hey, my name is Stuart. Big shout out to Erwin Garcia at Minas Academy. I have been part of the Academy now for coming up to 6 months. I'm part of the Advanced Accelerator course, and also I'm in the trading course as well. Over the last 6 months, I've seen significant gains financially, with over 5 times my return on investment. In addition, we have just been able to really hear God's voice about what He's looking to do in this season, and just to be part of this wealth transfer time that we're in. And but in addition to that, it's just been great to be part of a group that's just full of integrity, that is combines great biblical teaching with hearing God's voice through the prophetic, and applying just really good solid wisdom in how we apply that to investing and trading. So if you're interested in seeing God move through you and your finances, whether that be personally or whether that to be invest in the kingdom, I would thoroughly recommend that you come along and that you check it out and that you sign up, and just not for what God can do through you, but also just to be part of a great community of people. I think one of the most challenging things about investing or being in business or even pioneering as a whole is just it can be quite a lonely road. And one of the things I love about the course is just that sense of family and belonging, and that we're all in this together. But just a massive thank you to Erwin and the team, and yeah, really excited about what we see God do in 2025.
Stuart. So guys, who here wants a 15% per month? Wave your hands at me. 15% per month. So Stuart, with a friend in Mexico, is about to beta test our 15%. This, guys, write this in your note. This one that we have right now is doing around 5 to 10% per month. Who here wants to make 5 to 10% per month? Wave your hands at me, guys. 5 to 10% per month. So this is amazing here, right? So let me keep going here. I think this is Rose Sellers. How about you, Rose Sellers? How's it going with your bots, Rose?
I closed mine out.
Okay.
Okay, because I want to try that reverse.
And did you close when it was all in profit? It was all green.
Oh, yeah, I closed them when they were profiting, and I haven't done anything right now because I was on my phone yesterday with all the classes. My laptop went out, and my technician is fixing it, and so he lent me, or he sold me this one. It's a used Pro Mac Pro.
Cool.
So now I'm gonna have two. I'm gonna use this one for
So-
my trading, and I'm gonna use the other one for everything else.
Awesome. Rose, she's amazing. What else do I have in here? Okay. Oh, what's going on with my slide? Oh, yeah, I had to go minimize it. I think we played Hector's already. I think I have a few more to play in here. I'm going to play Debbie's here. Okay, let's go play.
Sure, I'd
Debbie.
love to. A little before that, a few months before that, I started really feeling the Lord was talking to me about how to learn about cryptos. I just kept getting cryptos, and my fear was getting finding somebody honest that wasn't going to cheat me, or I was the fear of learning from a good source. And so within a week, I found this ad for the 5 days free, and I'm like, hey, can't lose that. Go do 5 days free, pray about it, see what the Lord says. And I got right away that this was it for me. And I just want to say, just in these 2 weeks or 2 months alone, we have invested in multiple different streams like he was sharing. I'm so excited. I would never know how to do this. I wouldn't have known how to find these things, and I wouldn't have without being with this team. And I consider these people my family. So it's been great. I recommend it. If you're getting that same confirmation, just, don't hesitate. It's been great. I just look forward to every time we meet, and every new thing he pops in there and says, hey guys, look what we can do. We're all like, yay. So it's been great. As a baby boomer, I really didn't know, and I didn't want to be left behind. I think there's some others of you here too. It's like, with this new digital world, I just didn't want to be left behind if something changed. So I felt like this was a great thing to do. So I love it.
Amazing, Debbie. Thank you for those kind words. Awesome. I'll also play Lilias.
Okay, thank you. I'm just I don't like technology. I don't like computers, anything, but I really like to listen to the Holy Spirit, spend time with God. So around a year ago, I started hearing from God about crypto. So I was just, no, it's not for me. I don't like it. But Holy Spirit continue saying to me that. And finally, when I was listening regularly Elijah list, so I saw advertisement and it's clicking with my spirit. I have to do that. So I'm so excited, and when I'm listening to Erwin, I can feel like my spirit is leaping. I feel it's from the Holy Spirit, and community, I feel safe. And recently God is talking to me to focus, because I have a lot of responsibilities. Yes, we are in real estate with my husband. So for now, it's challenge to convince my husband. He is really hands-on. So he doesn't want to listen about crypto for now, but I'm still praying, and I'm do what I can do. And I believe that God will lead us in the future. I don't know how it will be, but I'm really community. I feel very safe, and it's very nice that I can jump anytime with any questions. Thank you so much for everyone.
Thanks, Lilias. Awesome. So guys, pretty much this works. We do specialize for Americans, Gen Xer, and baby boomers, but we get all countries, we get all ages in here, whether an entrepreneur, investor, high net worth individual, crypto newcomer, professional, or global citizen. Guys, let me break some beliefs here. I love this section here. Why do I do this? It's just, guys, some of these things could be you, and you're like, whether you're a skeptical investor like Ruth, I don't have the discipline or skill to succeed in crypto. Ruth discovered that the Minas AIM removes the guesswork. The AI bot trades with rules, not emotions, guys. Full proof, guys. Scams don't show you the black box, and it's all in the crypto platform here. It's all in the exchange. You have control, guys. Type in the chat, I control AI. I control AI. Bad English, but I just want 3 words. I control AI, meaning you have full control. You can stop, you can start, you can put more, you can put less. You are in control, okay? It trades with rules, not emotions. Results, she grew steadily month after month without needing to be disciplined. Deborah, the overwhelmed newcomer. We have a lot of Deborahs. Believe to breath, believe, break. Crypto is just too complicated for me. Epiphany, she realized the system broke things down into a simple 3-step process: ID, bot, compound. The result, she grew her portfolio 22% in 3 months, spending less than 10 minutes a day. Okay, Naomi, the fearful investor. What if I lose everything? Epiphany, Naomi saw that risk wasn't eliminated, but minimized, okay, through the AIM safeguards like compounding and capital protection. Okay, the result, instead of panic, she had peace, gains came steadily without emotional stress. Okay, guys, this is out of my slides. Let me talk to you about the risk, because some people want to explain the risk in here. I do want to explain a little bit of the risk. What is the risk? Number one, you being hacked. We will help you. Okay, I've never been hacked since literally I got into computers since year 2000. Everybody that's followed my ways has never been hacked. Everybody that didn't follow my ways got hacked. Number two, the exchange losing your money. We have a system so that they cannot withdraw money from your exchange. Number three, cryptos going to zero. Okay, we teach you which cryptos to get into or which to trade into. In fact, that's the only thing you pick. What cryptos am I doing this? Obviously, the Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and so on. We give you that list. And of course, we diversified all that. So those are the 3 risks in here. And that's what I said, we eliminate that risk. How do we eliminate that? By educating you and showing you from my experience and teaching you all of that. Okay, so let me go back to my slides. Anna, the retired professional. I'm too old to learn this. Guys, we got 70-year-olds, 80-year-olds. I'm waiting for 90-year-olds. Okay, my grandma passed away at 106 years. I'm waiting for the 90s. Let me see around the hundreds. But we got 80-year-olds in our program, guys. I'm too old to learn this. Anna found that she didn't need to learn crypto. The framework automated it. She grew her retirement account by 30% in 6 months. Wow, wow, wow. Without touching charts or tech. Elizabeth, the busy professional. Okay, belief to break. I don't have time for crypto. She realized the Minas AIM worked in the background. She only need to check in occasionally. Results: 25% growth in 4 months while running her business full time. Who here wants us to monitor this for you? Wave your hands at me. We want you to monitor it. Make sure your bots are running. Making sure you're not being scammed. Done. We're working for that right now. Beta testing. We're hoping to get that thing ready 3 to 6 months. We have a few people that we are testing for that right now. Esther, the cautious investor, belief to break. I don't trust automation with my money. Esther realized the AIM program, the automated investment machine program, wasn't replacing her control. It was empowering her with oversight and protection. Result: 40% growth in 6 months while still feeling safe and in control. Guys, type in the chat. What did God do on day 8 after 7 days of creation? Okay, he created day 1, day 2, day 3, day 7. He rested. Day 8, he's still working. And what else did he do? Let me help you out. Type in the chat. He automated. Guys, you breathe automatically. The world is automatic. Things grow automatically. Sun, moon, stars, rain, automatic. Beautiful. Animals, automatic being fed. Plants and all of that stuff. So this is so cool. Leah, I think I have 2 more. Leah, the over researcher. I have to do all my own research. Epiphany, Leah discovered that the framework, the AI condensed what used to take hours into minutes. Results: save 3+ hours a day and still improve results. Martha, the legacy builder, belief to break. Crypto won't last. It's just a fad. Epiphany, she realized digital wealth creation is here to stay. Guys, type in the chat, AI to stay. AI to stay. Guys, I believe this technology of blockchain and AI is straight from heaven, and it's here to stay, whether it's the current earth, current heaven, and future earth. Okay. In this case, the Minas AIM is the vehicle to grow it safely. The result: 35% growth in 6 months. Now building a long-term legacy portfolio. Guys, many more. Guys, type in the chat. What is that still limiting? I haven't done this. I know I'm taking this time here. What else false belief internally are you sensing for this crypto AI trading software? Okay, guys, while you guys are figuring that out, again and again and again, I'm just going to keep posting here. I told my team to help me out posting the results daily. My socials is full of this. I show my face, I show my results. I'm showing them daily as much as I can, guys. Ever since we've been into this crypto AI trading software, here's the video of a 754 days account. What is it, guys? That's still what else? Belief internally. You're like, "Ugh," that you're like, I don't know if this is for me or not. I'm curious here. Um, type it in the chat what this is, okay? Yes, Shannon. Yes, lost few thousands dollars. I'm retired. Well, Shannon, I don't know. I would love to hear your story as well. Please email support@minastech.ca. Let me see what I could do for you guys. Literally, man, like this. On a side note, just throw this out there. While the market is down and everybody's portfolio is going down, the crypto investors, our users are profiting with this movement. Guys, another piece you have to understand. Type in the chat, guys. Sell high, buy low. Sell high, buy low. This is not in my notes. What is sell high, buy low? This is the bot does both. It does buy low, sell high, sell high, buy low. What does that mean? That means the bot will sell high at 95,000. If you sold your Bitcoin, assuming you have one, at $95,000, you sold high your Bitcoin at $95,000, and you bought Bitcoin at $85,000. So you sold at 95, and now you bought it at 85. How much money did you make, guys? Type in the chat. Okay, type in the chat. If you sold Bitcoin at $95,000, okay, type in the chat. You sold high at 95, and you bought at 85. That's right. There it is. Joseph, Liz, you got it right. $10,000. The bot, the AI trading software, sell highs and buy lows for you. Buy low, sell high in your sleep forever. It's just so good. Okay, so guys, what it is, let me restate the new undeniable truth, guys. Here it is. Wealth creation in crypto isn't about being a tech expert or a perfect investor. It's about plugging in a proven framework that removes overwhelm and let automation work for you. Okay, you don't need to learn every chart, coin, or code. You don't need years of experience, just a willingness to follow a simple framework. Even if you failed before, success is possible when you remove human error and let automation compound wealth for you. The truth is, it's not about you doing the work, it's about the system working for you. Guys, type in the chat. 30 minutes professional setup. Oh, I like that. There's Santa Claus. 30 minutes professional setup. We will set you guys up in 30 minutes professionally with either, well, I stopped doing this now. Actually, I do it sometimes, myself or my coaches and my staff. 30 minutes professional setup. All right, so this is amazing. With that being said, has nothing to do with you. All you need to do, once again, the $300 digital Palau, if you're American, you gotta sign up because you need your card to do it. You need to set your own username and password, sign up for the BitGet exchange, sign up for the crypto AI trading software, fund all of that in that exchange, and then we do everything for you. Okay, I think I had another call. John set up. John, 3 bots set up. That's so beautiful. Great job, John. Great. Okay. All right. Last secret, guys. I am behind schedule. Super behind. This is it. What about external forces? Okay, guys. How to safely compound with market going up and down, left and right. Okay, I've already shown you this is doing, it actually loves, guys, type in the chat. AI loves crashes. Woo, I can't believe I just said that. AI loves crashes. In fact, I'm going to show you a video how in one day, who here wants to make 800+% in one day? Wave your hands at me, 800+%. The AI trading software in one day, that October 10, did 800% in one of the near coin because of the crash. It actually loves it. Okay, so here it is, how to safely compound and protect your wealth even during market crashes or regulatory shifts. So guys, this is it, guys. Since 2014, 11 years of crypto experience. Since year 2000, 25 years of AI automation. My coworker Philip is here. He knows. He's there. Hey, Philip. We used to be there. Love lost. Done. I'm retired, Philip. Long time ago. You gotta do this, Philip. Like, I think you're still working there. He's an amazing author. I know you're an author, but Philip, like, I have coworkers and bosses coming in this call, guys, and I'm like, What are you guys doing? I've been telling you guys about cryptos. Now this is game changer, Philip. Who here wants to retire between $25,000 and $88,000 instead of $1 million? Wave your hands at me. Wave your hands at me. Okay, you want to retire instead of 27 instead of $1 million, you can retire off. Who here wants to retire off 88,000? You're like, Erwin, what the heck are you talking about? Off. I am off my sheets, guys. I want to go over this. This is perfect timing. I like going off the sheets or off the plan, guys. Type in the chat 4% rule. 4% rule. 4% rule. Everybody wants that $1 million. I need $1 million. I need to be a millionaire. And then, big shocker, guys. You're $1 million and you're about to retire. Okay. A professional finance advisor, which is I'm not, is going to tell you only take out 40% per year so you don't run out of money in your retirement. Everybody wants that holy grail of $1 million, not realizing that's just $1,000 a week. We are doing that for our members for $26,000 to $80,000, and we make them $1,000 a week. Who here wants to retire with $26,000 to $80,000? Again, wave your hands and turn on your cameras. This is what we're talking about. Not hype again. I'm excited, but this is factual. This is factual. Okay, this is happening for our members. Okay, let me go back to our slide. So this is it, guys. That's it. I was like, I want something that's gonna work no matter what. Faster than crypto investing, faster than learning crypto trading. Make money now. Okay. When I was in Toronto, I did this in Toronto twice so far, in-person event. I was able to set up people in 15 minutes. Okay. Professionally set up. Guys, who here wants the car of your dreams? Wave your hands at me. The car of your dreams. That's me and my beautiful wife. Our car of our dreams is a Mercedes Sprinter. Prof. Manuel Johnson said, buy it. We did it because of cryptos. Who here wants not to worry about good food? Like, I don't have to worry about food. I have multiple freezers, multiple fridge. I think we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 fridges and freezers. Okay, combos. Okay, this is crazy. Like buying a whole cow. So cool. Who here wants to travel in the Lord's schedule? Like, I can travel anytime, anywhere in the world. Wave your hands at me in the Lord's assignment, guys. We're going to Florida. I skipped California. I'm going to go to North Carolina, January 24th, around that week. We're already planning California by God's grace. Guys, this is amazing. And who here wants kids and spiritual kids and grandkids all to be blessed? And a good man, a good woman leaves an inheritance to his kids. Who here wants to leave an inheritance? Wave your hands at me. Guys, my kids don't have to worry about money. They have bots set up. Okay, who here wants a program where your spouses and your kids and your grandkids are all included? Wave your hands at me. Okay, this program that we're going to offer in the end, I'm a little bit over time, is spouses, kids, and grandkids are all included. So that's my beautiful family again of our 7 beautiful kids. Okay, so here it is. Black draw. This is what's happening to our users. Believe only professional traders with years of experience could consistently win in volatile crypto markets. After using the crypto AI trading software, a whopping 240,643 USDT in profits. Facts over hype. Okay, I get excited because this is cool numbers. Number 3 worldwide in performance metrics, crushing global leaderboards, showing how AI automation can outperform even elite traders, unlocking hedge fund style results without the stress of manual trading. Master Futures believes serious crypto profits require years of expertise, nonstop trading, and constant monitoring of the markets. After using the crypto AI trading software, 254,000 in profits and growing. By the way, this is out of date. This is 2024 numbers. It's much more than that for 2025. Number 2 worldwide in performance metrics, position among the global top performers leveraging AI-powered automation to achieve hedge fund level results without manual trading, guesswork, or burnout. Did I tell you guys all our members are making money and none of them is not making money? Did I tell you guys that? I'm going to insert that again and again. Leonardo Capitani, number 1 here, thought only Wall Street Insider and big institutions could generate massive crypto profits at scale. After using the crypto AI trading software, generated 347,468 USD in profits, ranking number 1 in worldwide. I believe he's going to be dethroned. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it, but for one of my members, This is 2024 numbers, leading the global rankings, proving that AI-powered automation can outperform traditional trading and deliver record-breaking wealth creation accessible to everyday people. Okay, so here it is. Michael trading for him, 1,000% APR. We got Lisa, just a girl who loves Jesus. We have a lot of Lisas, entrepreneurs and loving mom. 479% annualized, up to 3,000% APR, 1,000% annualized, 1,000%. Guys, type in the chat compound interest, compound interest, compound interest, compound interest. Let me take that there for a second, guys. If you don't know compound interest, this is not in my slide. I'm going to go over it real quickly. This is what's happening for our members. It is compounding. Okay, I'm going to bring out a compound interest calculators. Okay, this is what we're doing for our members. Okay, here it is. All right, so $5,000. The bot, I can say, confident to say around 7.5. We saw 5% and we saw 10%. The last 2 months were 10%. Who here wants to make 10% in October and November? Wave your hands at me. Okay, we have proof that that's what happened in the last 2 months. I'm going to put it at 7.5% with $5,000 compounding at 7.5% month. In fact, I think this is even incorrect because, man, I'm just going to do that. So later on, I need to update that because we take profits 1 hourly. Who here wants to make $383,000 with $5,000 in 5 years? Wave your hands at me. Okay. This is what we're doing for our users. And if you add another 10 years, who here wants to make $1 million with $5,000 in 7 years? Wave your hands at me. $1 million with $5,000 in 7 years. That is exactly what we're doing for our members in 7 years. $1 million. Okay. Who here wants, on another side note, okay, that's $1 million. Okay. Not only that, who here wants to make $73,000 per month? Wave your hands at me. $73,000 per month. We're doing that. Let me go back to the rankings again. As you can see here, guys, fact over hype. Here it is. Topman, you can see here. I guess this was a down month. There it is. Topman's already $26,000 this month. Wow. Okay, so let me go back to my slides. Okay, Neo here, 500% APR. 500% APR. Let me put the video. So, Cindy, you're running an exchange. You're running a Pinex account already. So that's good. My goodness, Cindy. Yes.
I got 2 going.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Coin. So same thing. She made. Look at this. She made 5 profitable trades in today so far in 24 hours, and in all total, she made 21 profitable trades. And once again, the moment she put in 100 to 119. The moment this surpasses 119, Cindy, this is all profits, right? If you close this right now, obviously you're going to lose this. So that's why do not close this. You just have to be patient. And in this case, that's simple. So thank you for sharing this, Cindy. All right, let's keep going. Some more videos. I think this is a date. Yeah, I think I'm going to play Michael's videos. Okay, where is Michael? What's going? We're having troubles with Facebook. Oh, hopefully Facebook did not ban me. I think I said something. I'm saying a lot of banned words. Team, hopefully I didn't screw up our Facebook account. I got to be careful what I'm saying. I think I'm saying the G word too much. All right, here's Michael. That's fine. I'm God willing, it'll get unbanned. So here's Michael's account. Michael's testimonial. Maybe we need to sort this. I'm like, where's Michael's testimonial? Okay, wow, I'm missing Michael's testimonial. Michael, guys, I'm losing my flow here. Michael's testimonials. Wow. Okay, hopefully the team didn't take it out. Okay, you know what? I'll just play Patrice.
Challenge 1.
Yes, I was. One day I'm by myself.
And then just to let you know, I think you've
surpassed the 5K award. We're going to award you the 5K award of pure profits, mostly of the liquidity pool. But maybe you can just tell about your experience with the Minas Academy and just share your thoughts, maybe 1 to 2 minutes.
Oh yeah. So I started this journey back in, I think, April. I got into it, with Patty. She had told me about it, and I was just like, it intrigued me, and I was just like, all right. And she had, she was talking about you and how, like, trusting, everything. She felt very comfortable with you, and then after listening to you and being in, that first week, I jumped in. It's been great. The Telegram is a wonderful spot. Whenever I've found myself in a little bit of a bind, I can ask a question, and whether it's you, whether it's one of the other members, because I jumped into this, like, not knowing anything. The only thing I had ever really heard of was Bitcoin. And, but even with that, I didn't know anything. But the guidance, all the opportunities, because I'm in the liquidity pool, I'm in the Axe token. I've staked a couple of things, on the exchanges, and then just the whole protection thing, how to store your crypto so you don't lose it. And especially where things are kind of going today, so, I mean, it's well worth, and again, it's more than a community, it's a family. There are, sometimes some people jump in and say, can you pray for, and I know I've been on that prayer where I had a cousin who they thought could have had a tumor, and there was a whole, a prayer that was said. I can't say enough good things about it. It's well worth it. It's because I couldn't have done it on my own. I would not have, I don't think I could have or would have. So I thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Patrice. That's amazing. Thank you for that testimony. Yeah, a little bit overtime today, guys. I'm gonna play Mike O's.
It's been a very good experience for me. I'm really glad that I joined, because it's my Coinbase account is just going up bigger and bigger. I'm putting money in. I'm buying different Coinbase, like when it's low, when it's down, I buy, and but it's just getting bigger and bigger. So it's really good. It's really good. So I've learned a lot, and you guys help me a lot. And every time I listen to what's going on here, I learn something new every day. So
amazing. Thank you so much, Mike.
And I think I'm gonna play Aaron's video.
Here we go.
Aaron's video. Okay.
Hello. Hope everybody is doing well. I just want to give a short testimony. I joined Erwin on level 3 not too long ago, just a few weeks ago, and just kind of rewind a little bit further back. In early 2020, the Lord spoke to me and told me it's time to start investing, and I didn't really know a lot about investing at that time, and so he started showing me, and one of the verses that he spoke to me was 2 Chronicles 20:20, and he said this is a key verse for the decade of the 2020s. So this whole 10-year time frame, and it says, believe the Lord your God, and you shall be established. Believe his prophets, and you shall prosper. And so I've been doing that and growing crypto accounts and really listening to prophets. But joining Erwin and his team, I love the fact that they take the prophetic words from different prophets and they compile them together and they make strategic plans based on that. It's an awesome plan. And like I said, I joined level 3, and just over a couple of days of running AI bots, I gained $340. And then there's another bot that you can gain XRP, increase physical XRP, and gained 100 XRP. And that was just over a couple of days, $340 extra dollars and additional 100 XRP. So Thank you, Erwin. I'm sure as I learn more and deeper on how to AI trade, it'll get more and more, because my goal is not to stop here. I really see this thing doing $1,000 days, $10,000 days, $100,000 days, so we can really grow the kingdom. So thanks. See y'all later.
So good, so good, Aaron. Looks like we're gonna be a little bit more overtime. Let me break off some beliefs here as usual. So let me break off some belief here. So David, if the market crashes, the skeptical trader, I'll lose everything. Epiphany David realized the bots buy low, sell high, is automatically protecting him during volatility, and sell high, buy low. Earn 12% in profits in a down market instead of panicking in a down market. Sophia, the busy professional, I don't have time to watch charts all day. Automation work while she worked her 9 to 5. Compounded 22% growth in 4 months with less than 15 minutes per day. Raj, the risk averse investor, crypto is too unstable. I'll wait until it's safer. Epiphany, the AI trading software, provided consistent low risk returns compared to risky manual trading. Okay, that's a keyword. Low risk returns compared to risky manual trading. Saw steady 8% monthly gains even during news driven dips. Maria, belief to break. I don't have enough money to invest. She learned even with $100 can be automated into a compounding bot. Turn $100 into $240 over 6 months without stress. James, the overthinker, belief to break. I need to understand every technical detail first. The Epiphany AI handles complexity. He just needed to follow the framework. Result, runs 3 bots confidently without being techie. Aisha, the fearful follower of news, belief to break. Markets and politics are too unstable to invest now. Epiphany, she realized fear-based waiting was costing her compounding opportunities. Result, bots created steady profits regardless of headlines. I got 2 more here. Ken, the legacy builder. Crypto is a gamble. It won't last long term. Epiphany, she saw AI trading software as a hedge fund grade system for generational wealth. Result, built a portfolio for his kids, growing steadily even in volatile markets. Olivia, the perfectionist, belief to break. I'll wait for the perfect market entry. The bots thrive in any market, bull or bear. Waiting was the real risk. Result, finally started compounding 35% growth in 6 months. Guys, hear this. Let me state the undeniable truth. You don't need perfect timing, permission, or a stable market to grow wealth. With crypto AI trading software, volatility isn't a threat, it's a blessing. And I think I'm done with 1 minute to spare. Done here. So guys, the 3 secrets, guys, this is it. This is AI wealth vehicle, fastest, easiest, how to turn a free AI crypto software into a hedge fund grade wealth engine without trading, guesswork, or Wall Street access. Secret number 2, breaking eternal limits, how to profit from crypto AI bots. Even if you fail at investing before, don't understand technology. Secret number 3, the external safety net, how to safely compound and protect your wealth in crypto, even during market crash and regulatory shifts. Guys, if I follow the crypto AI bot wealth framework, then I can build automated stress-free wealth that compounds safely without needing trading skills, perfect timing, and market certainty. I am done, but I am technically 30 minutes behind schedule. I know you guys are feeling a little bit of this. Who here wants more of a hand-holding, step-by-step, done for you? I want this bot now. Wave your hands at me. Who here has done that, wants that? A little bit more of that one. Annalise smiling. Shannon is there. Good to see you guys. Beautiful faces. Rose is there. Kylie, Mike is there. Philip. What I've done, as always, guys, I said there's an offer. This is the offer. Our program is called the Minas AIM program. Give me another 30 minutes or so to talk about this. This is how we help you do your bot for you without any headache. So give me at least around 30 minutes. Hang in your seats. I'm gonna go a little bit quick here. Okay, so guys, there's some people in YouTube. Please respond to the people in YouTube. I just lost Facebook. Wow, the enemy is attacking. Let me just laugh at that. All right, so guys, write me in the chat if this sounds like you. You want a proven, done for me AI crypto systems. I don't waste years guessing. You want elite strategies that wealthy insiders use to scale their portfolios. I want a clear roadmap to millionaire status without endless trial and error. Write me in the chat if this is also you. You don't have technical expertise to configure AI systems. I'm worried I'll get it wrong and lose money. Okay. I don't think I can manage multiple bots or strategies on my own. For that, guys, we have the configuration pack. Okay, we have 3 AI trading software strategies, one with Bull AI, one AI strategy, one Millionaire 9. They all have different benefits, guys. To replicate this, the trial and error plus insider access, replicating these strategies and configuration would take years of study, tens of thousands in mistakes, and insider connections that aren't publicly available. Okay, this is it. You'll get the AI trading system professionally configured with Bull AI precision backed by 9 Millionaire 9 strategies. This ensures your setup is optimized for maximum compounding, risk reduction, and scaling to high net worth wealth brackets. Okay, stack testimonial. I had no idea how to set up bots, but this pack gave me a millionaire level system in days, not years. Robert W. says, faster, better, easier metric, faster setup of millionaire strategies, easier risk management, better long-term compounding results, easy to use, step-by-step, done for you premium configuration, eliminates tech overwhelm. Without this, you'll spend years and likely lose thousands trying to figure bots yourself while missing the biggest wealth window of this decade. Guys, this has never been done before. The premium pack is essential for anyone serious about reaching millionaire status with AI trading. The live premium configuration pack, the Bull AI Strategies Millionaire 9, is a value of $34,497 value. With our coaching program, our Minas AIM coaching program, you're going to get the configuration pack value of $34,497 value, a total value for $34,497. What else? Now that you have this, you now have a premium AI system set up like a wealthy insiders. What about the next step? You need your global trading profile to actually access this market. Say me, if this is you in the chat, you want global identity to unlock new markets. You want frictionless access to international trading accounts. You want security and legitimacy for my wealth building journey. Write me in the chat. This is also you. You don't understand how global IDs work. Isn't this too complicated or risky? I'm not sure I'll qualify for international platform. For that, we have the Digital Palau Fast Track and Global Trading Profile setup. Once again, this is cost $300 of your money, of your pocket. Around 2 weeks to do. We'll guide you. This takes legal connections, compliance, navigation, and global expertise that most investors can't access on their own. We'll fast track your digital Palau ID, set up your global trading profile so you can trade internationally, access unique crypto opportunities, and operate with legitimacy across borders. I never thought I'd be able to open global accounts. This made me feel like a true global investor, Sharon L. says. Faster account access, better compliance, easier international scaling. We handle the assistance of paperwork and setup for you. Without this, you're locked into domestic restrictions, stuck with just Coinbase, guys, and Uphold and Robinhood. Okay, this will give you access to the only the 4 exchanges. Right now, it's BitGet for now, and miss global opportunities worth millions. Global market access is the difference between local profits and global wealth. The Digital Palau Fast Track and Global Trading Profile setup is a $4,997 value. With our Minas AIM coaching program, you're going to get the premium pack, $34,497 value. You're going to get the Digital Palau Fast Track, $4,997 value, a total value of $39,494. Now that you have this item, you have global access. Now you need your bots fully deployed so your capital compounds automatically. Okay, write me in the chat if this sounds like you. I want my bots up and running immediately. You want zero downtime between decision and execution. You want professionals to handle deployment so I don't make mistakes. Write me in the chat. This also sounds like you. I don't think I can set up the bots correctly. I'm worried I'll waste money on wrong configuration. I'm not tech savvy enough to do this under 2 days. For that, we have the 48-hour full bot deployment service. Without expert help, bot deployment can take weeks or months of trial, risking costly errors. Our team deploys your bot within 48 hours, ensuring your system is live, optimized, and compounding wealth from day one. Okay, I was up and running in 2 days flat. If I tried on my own, I'd be stuck watching YouTube videos, David H. said. Faster deployment, better bot performance, easier wealth compounding. We deploy it all. You simply watch your dashboard, go live. Every day without deployment is miscompounding growth. Immediate deployment means your portfolio compounds today, not someday. The 48 For deployment service is valued 4597 value. What you're going to get in our Minas AIM coaching program is the configuration pack valued 34497 value, the digital Palau fast track global trading profile setup 4997 value, the 48 full bot deployment service valued 4597 value, total value 44,091. Now you have bots running 24/7. You can be done. Like, I'm done. Some people choose to do this and they're done. Like, I'm done. Thank you, Erwin. But I believe you need a blueprint to scale and safely compound wealth. Okay, write me in the chat. This sounds like you. You want your wealth to multiply safely and consistently. You want a simple path to financial freedom. You want to protect my gains while growing long term. Write me in the chat. This all sounds like you. You don't know how compounding works with bots. I'm afraid of reinvesting profits incorrectly. I've never had a proven system for long-term wealth. Okay, for that, we have the compounding blueprint. To replicate this knowledge comes from years of trial, real-world data, and multi-million-dollar investor experience. A step-by-step blueprint showing how to compound your crypto safely, multiply profits, and protect your wealth long-term. Okay, stack testimonial. I've tried for years to compound effectively. This blueprint gave me clarity and confidence to grow without fear, Susan T said. Okay, so faster, better, easier metric, faster compounding cycles, better growth rates, and easier long-term wealth. Easy to use, simple, repeatable blueprint removes confusion. Without this, your profits plateau and your long-term wealth stalls. Okay, this is the missing link between small wins and generational wealth. The compounding blueprint is of 7,597 in value. What you're going to get, the configuration pack value 34,497 value, the digital Palau fast track global trading profile setup 497 value, the 48-hour full bot deployment service 4,597 value, the compounding blueprint 7,597 value, a total value of 51,688. You now know how to compound safely. You need ongoing elite mentorship to stay on track. Okay, this is what we provide in our coaching program. Write me in the chat. Okay, Alden, I'll take questions at the end of this call. If you want to surround yourself with elite investors, you want real-time mentorship and proven strategies, you want accountability so I don't fall back into old habits, write me in the chat if this also sounds like you. You don't know if I'll fit with elite investors. I'm worried this will be too advanced for me. I've joined groups before that didn't deliver. For that, we have the 12-month, the only known crypto AI trading membership program, guys. This is it, okay? In this case, the access to top-tier mentorship and elite peers isn't available outside high net worth circles. A 12-month private membership with direct access to elite traders, insider strategies, and ongoing support to keep you scaling. This community was worth the price alone. I finally feel like I belong with the elite. Mark D said, faster, be it better, easier metric, faster growth, better strategies, easier accountability. Plug into mentorship and peer accountability instantly. Okay, without this, you'll lose momentum and drift back to old patterns. Elite mentorship is the difference between short-term wins and long-term wealth. The 12-month Elite VIP Traders Club membership is a value of $12,997 value. You're going to get in our coaching AM program, the premium pack, $34,497 value, the Palau setup, $4,997 value, the deployment, $4,597 in 48 hours or less, the compounding blueprint, $7,597 value, and now the 12-month Elite Traders Club membership, $12,997 value, a value of $64,685. Okay, someone got confused and they're like, Erwin, do I have to pay for that? Technically, I can charge for that since people are making sometimes up to $24,000 per month, up to $50,000 per month. But that's not the case. So stay tuned for the revealing of the price. If all did this was to give you a clear step-by-step roadmap, crypto wealth, would it be worth it? If all did this was to eliminate the confusion you've had around investing in cryptocurrency, would it be worth it? Or if all did this was to help you align your finances with a purpose and finally see growth in your investments, would that be worth it? I'm supposed to stop and pause in each question, but we're running out of time, so let's keep going. You now have elite mentorship. You're ready to lock into complete crypto legacy system. I have some bonuses. Write me in the chat if this is you. You want lifetime strategies to leave a legacy for my family. You want access to timeless lessons that don't expire with market shifts. You want on-demand education you can revisit anytime. But if this also sounds like you, write me in the chat. You bought courses before and never finished them. You're worried it won't stay relevant long-term. I don't want theory. I need practical strategies. For that, we have the Crypto Legacy Vault Masterclass. Years of collected strategies, millionaire interviews, insider lessons that can't be pierced together outside this vault. Lifetime access to the Crypto Legacy Vault, a masterclass library covering compounding, risk, global strategies, AI tactics to build generational wealth. This vault is my wealth library, a stack testimonial. I revisit it whenever I face a market shift. It always has the answers, Jeanette K. Faster, better, easier metric, faster access to proven wisdom, better clarity in certain times, easier repeatable results. Always available, bingeable, step by step at your own pace. By the way, it's not old stuff, it's new stuff. Without this, you rely on fleeting advice and miss timeless strategies that create legacies. How valuable legacy wealth building is impossible without consistent wisdom to guide it. The lifetime access to the Crypto Legacy Wealth Vault Masterclass is valued at $4,997 value. In our AIM program, configuration pack $34,997, Palau setup $4,997 value, 48 deployment $4,597 value in 48 hours, compounding blueprint $7,597 value, 12-month elite VIP club membership $12,997 value, bonus of lifetime access to our Crypto Legacy Vault Masterclass $4,997 value, a total value of $69,682. Got some more bonuses, guys. You now have lifetime strategies. What about protecting your wealth daily? This is one of my favorites in this offer stack. That's where 24/7 AI risk management comes in. Write me in the chat. This is you. You want peace of mind knowing your portfolio is protected around the clock. You want AI defense against volatility and sudden losses. You want system that guards my money without me watching charts. Write me in the chat. This also sounds like you. AI can't really protect against all risk, can it? I'm worried I'll still lose in a crash. I don't understand how AI risk management works. For that, we have the 24/7 AI risk management guardian with an AI and people behind it. Developing this level of AI monitoring system would cost tens of thousands in years of coding. An AI-powered guardian that monitors your portfolio 24/7. Guys, we're beta testing this right now, adjusting for volatility, spotting risk, and minimizing losses automatically. I sleep better at night knowing my portfolio has AI eyes and a humans on it at all times. Gregory P says, faster detection of risk, the better protection, easier peace of mind. Okay, AI runs quietly in the background, no tech skills. Without this, one sudden market crash could wipe you out. One sudden hack, one sudden stealing of your cryptos can wipe you out. Okay, so that's why I was like, how did I keep hundreds and thousands and millions of dollars in my exchanges? This is what I do. And then let me give you guys a story real quickly. Let me do this in 30 seconds. I was sick for 4 days. A hacker could have taken all my money in my cryptos. My wife will probably don't know what to do while I'm getting hacked. So I was like, you know what? I need to work on this. This is the last piece after coming up from another wild conference of options trading. And I saw in their accounts, they had $100,000, $1 million accounts in their options trading account. I was like, hey, I'm doing this, but how do I do this and protect people and make them more safe? And this is where, guys, type in the chat, AI and human protection, AI, human protection. So not just the AI watching your accounts, also human watching it 24/7. That's our goal beta testing right now. Okay. The risk management is wealth insurance, priceless in volatile markets. So I'm sharing that with you guys because I want my stuff protected as well. $3,597 in value. What you're going to get in our Minas AIM program is the configuration pack value at $34,497 value, the digital fallout pack setup $497 value, the 48-hour deployment service $4,597 value, the compounding blueprint $7,597 value, the membership program with other members $12,997 value, lifetime access to the Crypto Legacy Masterclass bonus $497 value, the 24/7 AI risk management guardian protection $3,597 value, a total value $73279. I have one more bonus for you. You now have peace of mind. What about celebrating wins and learning with the elite? That's where your wealth retreat and my in-person events. We've done two in Toronto. I'm going to do this potentially weekly in Florida. And then, of course, in Charlotte, North Carolina, already planned. And I'm planning, hopefully, I can get Mexico and Portugal in this list as well. Okay, so write me in the chat. This is you, me. I want exclusive access to top-tier investors and wealth builders. I want to network with high net worth peers. You want immersive in-person mentorship. Write me in the chat. This is also you. I'm too busy to travel. I'm not sure I'll belong in a high-level wealth retreat. I don't know if I'll deliver ROI. We have the private annual wealth retreat and the meetups. Elite level mentorship and networking circles like this cost $25,000 to $50,000 per year. In masterminds, I've actually paid for that if you can even get in. A private retreat where you connect with other elite AI traders, investors, and wealth mentors, get advanced strategies, unlocking your legacy plan. The retreat, the in-person event for itself, paid for the connections I made, game-changing. Paul S. said, faster networking, better mentorship, easier access to elite insights, semi all-inclusive. That's all I'm gonna say. Semi all-inclusive. I paid for meals, free tickets, but it's semi all-inclusive. Depends on the situation. Eventually, my goal is to make this all-inclusive. Just show up, immersive, and grow. Cost of inaction. Without this, you'll never access the wisdom, deals, and peer level accountability that only live in-person events provide. This is where millionaires' ideas and partnerships are born. Private annual wealth retreat is valued $9,879 in value. Here it is, guys. This is it. Our coaching program, the Minas AIM, price is going to be revealed soon. The premium pack value at $34,497. The Palau Global Trading Profile Setup valued at $497 value. The 48-hour full deployment service valued at $4,597 value. The compounding blueprint for valued at $7,597 value. The 12-month elite VIP Traders Club membership, $12,997 value. The lifetime access to the Crypto Legacy Vault Masterclass, $497 value. The 24/7 AI Risk Management Guardian, $3,597 value. And then the meetups, the wealth retreats, $9,897 value. A total value of $83,158. Technically, I can spend that. Some people got confused. That is not the price of the program. Now you have the elite connections. What about the complete setup? The value of this is if you go to minas.ai/a, minus.ai/a, and here it is. The program is worth, okay, right now we are accepting I believe 8 only, okay, per year, $1997. Okay, we are targeting people with $100,000 liquid. Okay, that's why it's $1997. Every year it's around $1997, around $20K. Okay, we are offering a lifetime for the first 8. We have 8 left of the 12. I think I was sharing that for 12 because I love you guys. And some of you guys don't have the 100% liquid. I am offering, I don't know how long I'm going to do this, a taste and see of a 3-month and a 1-month access, which is right now a 1-month access of $12.97. Okay. We set up your bot and you're done, right? Literally you're done. Some people don't have the $100,000. They can't afford the $20K per year. And they're done. That's why we set this up with compounding. And that's what I said. I'm going to go back to the compounding. This is what we want to do for you guys. Okay. We want to set up your bot for you. And then you come back. You can come back in a year. We tell people, hey, with all this money that you're making, you probably want to get that XRP and XLM. Okay. Technically, you're making $1,000 per month. I don't have enough time to break out for that breakdown. Okay. And then you come back to us. You're like, wow, after the 2026 wealth transfer, you can come back. Okay. So whether it's the one month or the 3 months, that's what we're offering. So there it is. Once again, you're going to get everything in that offer stack for $1997. And in the 3 months and the 1 month access, okay, what's going to happen is after the 1 month, the 3 months, you're going to lose access to all of this, but your bot is still running. Okay, so a lot of people got confused. They're like, Erwin, what's going to happen after 1 month? Is our bot stop running? No, the bot will continue to run, and you can go compound it. You can enjoy its benefits. What you're going to lose after 1 month to 3 months is you're going to lose ongoing configuration pack that we're always updating. We have one that's for short and long. You're going to miss the deployment services. You're going to miss the compounding blueprints. You're going to miss the memberships, the members. You're going to miss the lifetime access to the Legacy Vault. This is only for the people who got the 1 year. You're going to miss the protection we have for you in your exchange. And of course, you're going to have to probably pay for the in-person meetings. Okay, I think I'm officially done. I know some people has to go. So guys, if you need to go and you need to ask one more question, fill out a questionnaire, minusacademyquestions.com. And I'm going to take questions here. I'm going to do some 2 draws. Coach Isaac, if you can have that. Alden, I'm going to ask you questions. Let me just give out 2 awards. Guys, I said I'm going to give 2 awards, one for my level 1 investing program, and I'm going to give another one for my level 1 AI coaching program. Okay, so Coach Isaac, hopefully you sent me the names as usual. All right, there it is. There's the names. Okay, thank you for preparing the questions as well. All right, I got some of the questions. Thank you, Coach Isaac, for doing that for me. All right, so here it is, guys. For the winner of the level 1 investing program, here it is. Level 1 investing programs early Christmas gift. It's gonna go to Anelli or Helen. It's gonna go to Anelli. Okay, so please email. Congratulations, Anelli. You won a $3,000 investing program valued at $3,000. Please email support@minastech.ca. Welcome to the family, Anelli. We'll give you a 1-year membership of our level 1 investing program valued at $3,000. All right, another one for our level 1 investing AI trading program valued at $3,000. Liz, I don't think you have that yet. All right, Liz. I don't think you have that yet, right, Liz? So we're gonna give you that in there. Let me take some questions. Coach Isaac already had some questions lined up for me. Alden, I'm gonna get to you. Let me get these questions in here. Let me go. All right. So, Kayleen, can you show us your bot screen and point out the features or elements? Kayleen, are you still here? The bot screens. Sure. That's a great one there. The bot screens in here. Let me see here. The bot screens. Okay. All right. So as here it is. Here is the interface of the bot screens in here. As you can see here, Kayleen, there is the leaderboard. So you can see here the different leaderboards of the daily and monthly in real time. There it is. Here's the all-time and the features and elements. Obviously, I'm going to go over this in more detail. Let me show you. Let me see here. For the elements, you're right here. Okay, so okay, there it is. So here is the elements. Okay, here is a 10K account as an example. In here, there is a floating loss. This was a $10,000 account. It's already at 32. You can see here of it running on Tron. Okay, you can see short and long, buy low, sell high, buy low. It's running on Tron Coin, XRP, Solana, BNB, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Chainlink, Ethereum, Litecoin. I think I started this yesterday at 3:30 for demo purposes. Let me show you the transactions. Here it is. Here's the profits, 33 cents in profit in Ethereum. You can see here, this is in Australia time. So as you can see, they're already at December 19th as requested. There it is. Here's the interface. Here's the profits made. Here's Bitcoin, 55% in profit. This is real stuff. Same thing. This is why anybody can make that up. Okay, anybody can make that up. I am logging into my actual BitGet exchange. You ask, and I will deliver. I'm logging in with my YubiKey in my actual exchange. So give me a second. Kayleen, are you asking that? Okay, just got my YubiKey up and rolling. Let me log into my BitGet exchange. Okay, BitGet exchange. Okay. Okay, getting in my email. Okay. All right. You ask and you shall receive. Knock and you shall find. All right. So I'm just logging in to my actual exchange because I'm going to show you how it's trading in the exchange. Okay. Logging into my BitGet exchange right now. I am going to my futures account. Okay. That one right there. Okay, guys, this is how you know people are scammers. because they use once again, it's Ponzi scheme, and it's their own platform. Okay, so that's their own platform. Coach Isaac, can you remind me again that other one? But as you can see here, okay, so as you can see here, this is their own platform. Okay, I think I got a screenshot. There it is. This is their own platform. Let me make this nice and big. Alden, if you can just wait. So here it is. This is their own platform, pure garbage. You can see here DSJ090. They're trying to mimic like some kind of options trading, calls and puts, garbage, all made up. Versus here is the real stuff. This is an actual crypto exchange. I'm gonna go to coinmarketcap.com. Guys, that exchange is not even listed in here. So here it is. Here is the exchange. The AI trading bot software runs on Binance Global, OKX exchange, number 4 exchange, Bybit, and BitGet. Okay, for the Americans and the Canadians, we give you access to BitGet. Okay, Canadians already has access to this. Philip, you have access to this. If you're still on this call, you already have access to this. I can literally set you up in 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. Americans will have access to this 2 days. So here is my BitGet exchange. As you can see, this is real data, not made up. Okay, this is BitGet exchange. And as you can see, there it is. The AI trading bot, your browser has lost connection to your screen share audio. Hopefully that works. Coach Isaac, Coach John. So here it is. Let me change that. Man, a lot of technical difficulties today. So you can see here, there it is. Here's the Bitcoin 20x leverage trade. Buy low, sell high, buy low. As you can see here, the transaction history. Let me see here, position history, position ROI, transaction history. Okay, you know what? I'm going to go to the profit, loss, and statements. Okay, I'm going to profit, loss, and statements. Look at that, 10,000 already, $27 made. I was expecting $16 a day. And then here it is. Let me show you guys. This is a trading analysis, real stuff, guys, real data. And as you can see right here, there it is. There's the profits made, closing profits. You saw that, the 33 cents profit. Okay, if we go here, okay, you see the 33 cents profit. Okay, matches, guys. 33 cents profit, 55 cents profit, and the 33 cents profit. Okay, there's some big ones, $1.54 right there. And as you can see in the interface, there it is. 33 cents profit, 55 cents profit. Where's that big one? $1.40 something. There it is, $1.54. Okay, you ask and you shall receive. What else? Shannon, do we need to laptop to trade? Shannon, are you here, Shannon? Is Kayleen there? I'd like to talk to Kayleen first. Kayleen's there. Hey, Kayleen, is it okay if I talk to you? Kayleen.
Sure.
How is that? How is that for proof? Is that what you wanted to see?
Well, I thought this was kind of going to be a training on the bot. So I was expecting.
Correct. For me, so number one,
to show us.
So number one, do you have access to
what you do, and we push this button, and you know, you set up this way or that.
So do you have access to
which I don't really see, but
do you have access?
I thank you for at least showing it to us.
Do you have access to the BitGet exchange? Kayleen, are you there? Oh.
He's talking to you. I can't hear you if you're saying something.
So Kayleen, do you have access to the BitGet exchange?
I haven't looked for it. I probably could.
Yeah, so you don't have access to it. Are you Canadian or American?
American.
Yeah, so you don't have access to it. So I can't even show you this because you don't have access to that exchange. It takes around 2 weeks to set that up. So unfortunately, and then there's so much steps. It's gonna take so number one, you need to set up you need to get that card. Number two, you need to open up the exchange account. So you have to open this exchange account in here, which you can't do unless you have the Palau card. And then thirdly, you need to fund it. And that's going to take a bunch of hours to do that. And that's why once you do all of that, then we'll set you up, like professionally set you up in 30 minutes. Does that make sense, Kaylin? So unfortunately, I mean, for me to show all the steps, this is probably going to take a while, and then all these other things that can happen. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
No problem, Kaylin. Okay. Uh, any more questions you have for me, Kaylin? Okay, let me know. Just type in the chat. Shannon, I'd love to talk to Shannon. Is Shannon there? Okay, Shannon. Okay, Shannon's there. Hey, Shannon. Are you there? Hey, Shannon. Good to see you. Maybe you can just verbalize your question. Where are you from, Shannon? Oh, okay, I think your mic is not working. You might have a Bluetooth because I don't see your mic going up and down. You are unmuted. Unfortunately, I think we just lost you. Oh, you're still there, Shannon. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. So Shannon, let me know when you're ready. It looks like I'm gonna leave you unmuted, but we can't hear you. Okay, LL, are you still there? LL left. I just applied for the Palau 5 days ago for taxes. I use Coinly. Can this AI set up the link Coinly? Yes, all of that there. LL, we help you guys with the taxes. Super simple. In fact, it's the same system we use to monitor your system. The same system we use to monitor you. The monitor your system is the same system that's used to do your taxes. LL. Okay, Kayleen also here. Talk about the exchange fees when the bot trades, buy and sell. So Kayleen, obviously they take fees. Kayleen, the AI. Is Kayleen still there? I think Kayleen's still there. So Kayleen, I think you have another one there. Kayleen's left. Okay, Alden. Now I can talk to Alden. I have Palau ID. I need help after that. I cannot get, but who you like would like a one-on-one. So Alden, I'm not sure if you're a member already. Email support@minastech.ca, but at the same time, now I can talk to you, Alden. So now there. Alden, is it okay if you start your video? Go ahead, Alden. Now I can talk to you. Thank you for waiting patiently.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you hear me?
You are a member, Alden,
Okay,
right?
good. Yeah.
Yes,
I've been a member for a while. It's just that I've been in the back channels trying to get somebody to help me. I went through some of the videos. And first of all, I got to say your program is really good so far. I think the problem is on my end, possibly. I am an engineer, and so I overthink things and make things complicated. So that's probably the problem. So it's probably on me. So I've done everything so far. I'm in the program.
Okay, welcome.
I did the
my bad.
Yeah. Yeah. So the issue is that I've got the ID, and I started to do, and I've got the VPN, and I started to do the BitGap thing, and I was going through the process, and there's a snag. It doesn't like the VPN, or it's supposed to do an ID over the phone, and I set up my phone to do the VPN, and it's not working together. And so I've been trying to reach you guys for the last 3 weeks or so to set up a time when we can meet up and get this resolved. Some of the issues I'm having is, see, the main thing is I don't want to mess up my BitGap thing. I don't want them to find out that I'm a U.S. resident and everything. So I got to make sure the VPN's on both the phone and everything. So it's just a matter of detail to try to get it done. And so I'm just reaching out for some help to get this thing going.
Thank you, and thank you for raising your hand for a long time. So I'm gonna bump that up. My coaches are here to help you out in that one. So once again, so I think you're stuck with creating your BitGet exchange account, correct?
Right.
Yeah,
I have the VPN. I have the ID.
Yeah.
I'm ready to go.
Which state are you from?
California.
Okay, I'm hoping you don't have to wait till around March or April when I'm planning to be in the West Coast. So Alden, it's a very simple setup.
No.
Obviously, it's nice if you're here. But I'm gonna bump it up. My coaches are here to bump you up and get you set up. Obviously we gave the instructions because it's similar. I guess I'm just thinking about it because obviously you have the US exchange. The only difference is you have to turn on the VPN. We suggested Mexico. So you just turn on Mexico and everything should be really good. Okay. So I think we've done this multiple times. Which country did you turn the VPN to?
Malaysian.
Yeah.
Malaysia.
Do Mexico. Do Mexico. And then it should be fine. I mean, that should be it should be short, straightforward. This is the first I heard that people are having issues with the VPN. And which VPN software are you using, Alden?
Yeah, I've had Proton for like 5 years, so it's a shoe-in.
That should be fine.
Yeah.
If you can switch to Mexico, which you should be able to, and we've heard of people use the Proton VPN, it should be straightforward. So yeah, like creating it with your ID card. So like, do you know the error message you're getting? So I'm gonna help you live right now. Do you remember the error message?
Let me go to.
Oh, it's probably if you're gonna go to the VPN. You don't remember the error message that you were getting?
No, I'm looking at it right here. So restricted IP. Your IP address shows you're attempting to access our
Yes.
services from the US.
Okay.
But the thing is, I have my VPN on.
Okay, so
with Malaysia.
what you can do is you can also say, what is my IP? So it should usually work with that's why we recommend the Express VPN. I think that's easier. I don't want to have to test an engineer to an engineer. I don't want to have to test the VPN for Proton Mail. That's why we use the Express VPN, and we have no issues. Coach Isaac and coaches, let me know if you guys know some of the users that use the Proton Mail. So, but then if you see here, what is my IP right here, right? Like if your VPN is working correctly, it should say that, hey, you're in Malaysia or you're in Mexico. Unfortunately, if it's not working for the Proton VPN, a second solution is to get the Express VPN. So you can type in expressvpn.com and it'll look like this. This is what we use and this is what we recommend to our members. Right? Because we know it works. We know it works, and this is what I use. We know it works. Okay, Alden? Okay. All right, Mike. How do you use ChatGPT to decide how to use the AI bots successfully? ChatGPT, how to use the bots successfully. So, Mike, we created one for you, Mike. If you're here, we create one for you. How to use the AI bots successfully. So, we create a custom GPT for it. How do you use it? So you have to ask the right questions, Mike, obviously. And we made a bot for that one. Maybe if I can get you on, that will be great, Mike, so I can get a context. Go ahead, Mike. Can you verbalize your question in a different way? What did you mean by this? Welcome, Mike.
Well, Daniel Johnson referred to using ChatGPT as part of this whole process, as I understood it. And I don't know how to use ChatGPT to make this AI bot successful. I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I don't understand the process.
Yeah, so
I've never heard it been explained.
Yeah, so that's why, Mike, we you can figure this out on your own using ChatGPT. So you can literally go to chat.com. It might take you a few weeks, a few months, a few years, or we invite you to our coaching program, right? What's stopping you from joining our coaching program, Mike?
Well, to be completely upfront and honest, I have lost so much money trying to do this. It's been incredible how much money I've lost. I can't afford to lose anymore. I just can't. And the most I could afford, I make about $900 a month on disability. I could maybe swing like a 1995 subscription to something. I can't afford to lose anymore.
Yeah. So Mike, email support@minastech.ca with your story. Would love to hear it. And let me see what I can do for you. I'm curious, was this crypto scams?
No, it was just always investing in it going down. Always over and over and over and over.
Do you know
and over
how much?
again.
Do you know how much in total you've lost, or an idea?
I do, and I'm not allowed to say it. My wife would want me to say it.
Okay, no problem. Can we deal with figures, like 3 figures, 4 figures, 5 figures, 6 figures, 7 figures with digits? Is that okay with you and your wife? The reason why I'm sharing this is, irregardless whatever that figure is, Mike, in the program, everybody's in this call. We've helped people lose no more losing $1,000. Like last week, I just helped 3 members. They were in a scam, putting $1,000 into a scam, and I told them this is a scam. I've helped people save $1,000 to $10,000 to $100,000 to $1 million, Mike. So when you say I can't afford to lose any more money, or I can't afford this, that's not.
I don't have any more. I've spent so much money trying to do this. I don't have any more, but I don't have anything more to do. I can't. Don't have enough to invest anymore.
Yeah. So
Mike,
practically. You know what I'll do for you, Mike? I don't know if I gave it to you already. I'm gonna give you my level 1 investing program to help you out. This is what I'm gonna do, Mike. Without even hearing your story, I'm gonna give you my level 1 investing program. We're showing people meme coins to turn literally $100 to $1 million. So I'm gonna give you that one. I'm gonna gift you that one, Mike.
Wow.
How does that sound, Mike?
God bless you.
Thank you very, very
So
much.
let me help you out, Mike, because
Wow.
I hear you're paid. And this is it. That's why we do this. We'll help you educate you, because even in that program, Mike, we'll help you not to make the mistake. So this is what happens, because it sounds to me, if you didn't get scammed, it sounds to me you're buying low and you're selling low, and you're trying to time the market instead of you doing buying low, sell high. Because for me, the way you're just describing, correct me if I'm wrong, Mike, are you doing buying low and selling low? Is that what's happening to you? Because like
I buy it and I keep losing. I'll lose all the money every time I buy. I just keep losing over and over and over again.
And then what is that, from scams or because of just the market and the
No,
value going down?
it's just the market. I keep buying wrong. I keep buying wrong.
Correct. So this is what I'll do for you in my level 1 investing class. We'll teach you, number one, to protect yourself, guys. Type in the chat, protection first. We're big on that one. And it's also a mentality. We use kingdom principles. We use proven frameworks. That's what I'll do for you. I'm gonna give you my $3,000 valued program, level 1 investing, to help you invest and help you build the capital for this. And then you know what I'll do for you as well, Mike? Just for you, Mike, I'm gonna give you this program for 1 month. We're running this program with $100. People running this with $100, and their future price that they're making is $1,000 per month. So, Mike, what I'll do for you is I'll give you the level 1 investing for a whole year, and I'm gonna give you the level 1 this AI trading program for 1 month, Mike. So I can set up the bot for you, and then we set up your $100 bot for you. I'm hoping you have that $100. And if anything, Mike, here's the beauty of this. My members are here. Some of my members are here. They gift programs. So they give programs and they give cryptos. So like that's another piece, Mike. I'm pretty sure I'd love to still hear your story, Mike. The members have been giving people cryptos and money and programs. So that's what I'll do for you, Mike. And I've seen you a couple of times, and I want to bless you. I definitely want to hear your story, but I definitely I want to help you out, Mike. How's that sound, Mike?
Thank you very, very much.
No problem, Mike. So hopefully, and say hi to your wife, and that's the same thing. It's you and your wife and your children, and if you have any grandchildren, and we'll help you out, Mike, in that sense. Because enough is enough.
Thank you.
No problem, Mike. Welcome to the academy. Welcome to the academy, Mike.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you.
No problem, Mike. All right, so we got Notar. So that's so good, guys. I didn't even share this, Mike. This is probably looks like Mike has some tears. I don't want to have some tears here. What we also have is affiliates. I don't like sharing this till the end because I don't want to say this is a Ponzi scheme. We have a generous 10 to 20 to 30% affiliates. Okay, you guys are hungry. You guys are just in this call. I'm about to give an affiliate of $6,000. Someone referred someone, and he bought the $20,000 program, and we're giving that person $6,000 plus more than $6,000. I'm hearing someone in the background. I'd like to talk to that person. So we have 10%. So level 1 is 10%, level 2 20%, and level 3 30%. So Mike would love to do that for you. Bring them in, Mike, and your wife. We'd love to help them. That's why I'm planning these in-person events all around the USA. I started 2 in Toronto. It's just easier when they see me and I do it in there. Okay. So hopefully that's good to see. I see Corinne here. Hey, Corinne, good to see you. She's one of our newest members as well there. All right. I think I'm hearing a voice behind the scenes. I think that's the person I want to talk to, unless the person, my team muted it. Is Notar still there? Notary Pam. Yes. Am I saying that right? Notary Pam. Is that you? I think she's also a member as well. Will level 1. Okay, let's get you up. Yeah, let's clear that up. So Notary Pam. Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah. Is it? Am I saying your name right? Is it Notary? Am I saying that right?
That's my business. Is Notary.
I'm so sorry. You notarize stuff. Are you a lawyer? Are you a lawyer? Are you a lawyer?
I'm a notary public.
No. Okay. All right. I was like, so sorry.
I'm also in California.
California as well. I'm just leaving a little bit of an echo.
I have my.
Yeah. Go ahead.
So I wanted to know. I'm level 1. I haven't got a bot yet, but do you only get one bot?
Okay, let me move your other one to the the waiting room, so there's no echo. So Pam, your name is Pam, right? Pam.
Correct,
All
Pam.
right, Pam.
Yes.
So Pam, if you're level 1, I
Uh-huh.
think John just went off another call with another John, and he set up 3 bots. We're gonna set up as much bots. You have the one month membership.
I have the 1 month, and I also won the training.
Amazing. So Pam, as much bots. I think what we do is we set up the first one for you for free and show you how to do it. If you need assistance from our members, from our coaches, that is a paid service, right? So you can set up as much bot as you want. In fact, all my 7 children have all accounts. Yeah, so it's unlimited. This is crazy.
So you teach us how to set up our own bot.
Yep. So like once you see the first one, it's so easy, right? So obviously the first one is hard, but I have numerous videos showing it. I don't know if did you miss mine yesterday? So I went yesterday and showed you guys how to do it. I showed one yesterday. I think that's probably my, I don't know, 30th time showing it. So Pam, if you go to our school, I've shown it like literally 30 times how to do it. And we have guides. My coaches create guides to set it up, and my coaches will help you out. And you can ask questions from other members as well. So Pam, unlimited, unlimited. Bots.
Sounds good.
Awesome.
Thank you.
No problem. Thank you for the joining. All right. So, what else do we have in here? Okay, guys, let the questions. Anything, raise up your hands. I do have a hard stop in 11 minutes. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this. Yes, Shannon. God blesses those. She who waters will herself be watered. I'm gonna go back to Shannon. Shannon, the Lord's highlighting you. Shannon, you're back on the spotlight.
Can you hear me?
Hey, Shannon. Yes, I can hear you. How are you doing?
Thank the Lord. Thank you, Lord. Yes, I've lost a lot of money, over 70,000. The enemy has given me quite the attacks. I've had 3 bouts of severe mold poisoning, and I know that was part of me losing the money in crypto.
Was it a scam, Shannon? Sorry for interrupting you.
No, you can interrupt at any time, sir. Yes, it was because, oh no, you need to get your money out of crypto and to go into this something wallet. And oh my God, okay. So I'm kind of in debt now. I'm still blessed. I still have the Lord, and I have some medals. So here we are. This is my main question, please, because I'm still recovering. I'm at the end of the recovery of this last mold poisoning. So we are to get our money out of the banks. There's about to be a crash. So if this crash happens, how would I pay you any kind of money? How would I get to purchase crypto?
Yeah.
What would I use? Like, I don't know if other people are thinking like this. I had all that money either in metals or in crypto. Okay. So please advise. I'm over half hour away. I'm kind of in the country from where my bank is. I'm here in Carberry to do an assignment for the Lord. So do I go run to Brandon tomorrow and take some money out and buy crypto? What? Okay, your turn.
So number 1, I'm not a professional finance advisor. This is
no, you give your opinion, please. Your opinion.
So number 1, being in the market, doing this since 2014, being a software engineer, there are a lot of talks of markets crashing. Okay, so that word, obviously other prophets are calling it out there. This market crash, market correction, the flash dip, flash, all of that. The big worldwide crash, end of the world stuff, I don't think is happening anytime now. Trump is in term for another 3 years or so. This crash is short-lived. Okay, so I am saying there is also this crash. I like to call it a market correction. Manuel Johnson calls it a Lazarus plan. It could look like everything is dead and it's going to shoot back up. Why do I say this? Obviously, I have banking friends, Shannon. And number 1, I want to reassure you, Shannon, you're okay. Okay, so like, I'm so glad you saw me because this is it. Literally.
So But the dollar's supposed to crash, right? There's going to be no more dollar. It's going into crypto. So my brain is having a hard time. What would I use when it's all in metals?
Yeah. So number one, I believe the U.S. dollar is going to be. Bo Pony talks about it, and Manuel Johnson talks about it. I believe the U.S. dollar is going to be backed by precious metals and cryptos, and the Lord is going to save your U.S. dollar. Okay. When I say that, I'm going with everything of my experience and my prophetic insights, and I have actually 2 professional finance advisor friends. Obviously, the dollar is corrupt. The fiat is corrupt. Nothing is backing it. You have no more gold standards. The Lord is going to heal your U.S. dollar. Okay. This is, you have foreign currencies and prophecies of foreign currencies. The Lord is going to heal America's fiat currency first, and that will result in other currencies being healed, Shannon. Okay. So back to your question, I want to reassure you, number one, don't panic. The fact that you saw me here, if you saw me earlier, your 70K would have probably still here. Okay, but now we're here. So I don't understand why people have to wait sometimes 3 years, sometimes 7 times to see me. So number one, and number thing I want to encourage you, Shannon, is what the thief stole. So I've been victim of past 50K plus loss, probably 7 times. The Lord will give back to you, right? So like the bigger the fall, the bigger the rise, Shannon, right? Because you are God's daughter. So number one, I want to tone down like that whole crash. The crash is not a non-recovery crash. It's a recovery crash. Does that make sense, Shannon? It has to die for it to rise correctly. Does that make sense, Shannon? Do not panic. If you're in my members, all my members, they're not freaking out. Okay, they're good. Number one, I have prophetic counsel. Okay. Unfortunately, let me tell you why all the people who call crash and crazy stuff. It is it is a conditional prophetic word. If this doesn't happen, if they don't repent, this is similar to those prophets. We don't have to name them because, like what Prophet Manuel Johnson saying, we have to love them. It's similar to Prophet Jonah saying, hey, Nineveh, if you don't repent, you're gonna burn down. You're gonna burn down if you don't repent. That is a conditional word. These prophets of crashes words are hearing are like crazy words, stock up your food, blah blah blah, all of that. They're hearing conditional words, prompting them to pray. We need the intercessors to pray. Okay, but what I'm going to say is, don't worry, don't panic. Banks will continue to exist. Okay, we're not at that internet down, World War III, God returning time anytime soon. That's like way far. So Shannon, I want to say that to you. So that thing first, calm down a bit that you can lose money. Banks will continue existing. Your US dollar is going to be okay. The next 3 years is going to be okay. Okay, so with that being said, let me add on to that. Okay, so number one, the US dollar will continue to exist. It's going to die and it's going to get resurrected high level. We are now in the day, Shannon, remember where just US dollar cash. We are now in the PayPal, Cash App, Zelle. Okay, you've heard of that, right, Shannon? Cash App, PayPal, Zelle. We're alongside all of that. Obviously, you see the MasterCard, Visa. You're going to see Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all of those coins, all accepted. Does that make sense, Shannon? You're like, oh, I can pay with PayPal, Cash App, Zelle, US dollar. I can pay with Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all the cryptos. Does that make sense, Shannon? The third world country in the Eastern Hemisphere already have towns and cities where they operate in pure cryptos, i.e. El Salvador and Central African Republic. Their legal tender is Bitcoin. Does that make sense, Shannon? Like, wow, they exist without US dollar. They exist with all of these currencies, but their legal tender is Bitcoin. So Shannon, let's just tone that a bit. You're fine. You're fine. Does that help, Shannon, a little bit?
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. God bless.
Yeah. And then saying, Shannon, please email support@minastech.ca. We'd love to hear your story.
Yes,
and
amen.
the fact that you have the precious metals, that's good because you listen to the word of God. Invest in 7 and 8 ventures, for you do not know what disaster may come upon the land, so that your precious metals doesn't get touched. And of course, I want to highlight here, even if you go 50-50 on the trading bots, it's going to help out a lot, guys. This is it. Our academy is an investing academy first, and a trading academy second, and thirdly, brand new. We have AI coaching programs, and now the fourth one is the crypto AI trading. What I want to say is we're all into that, the safety and putting people funds first. But Shannon, this is why you you don't, guys, type in the chat community. You want to be part of community, Shannon. A lot of people do crypto this
Yes.
crypto journey
Yes.
alone. You're gonna get
No,
wrecked.
no,
You're
no.
gonna get wrecked.
No, yeah.
Right? This
Yeah.
is where we watch out each other. We got telegrams, we got school, we got text sending out. Guys, here's the latest scam. Okay, here's another one freebie for you guys. Do not use, type in the chat, don't use wireless devices. That could be hacked. Shannon, I believe you need a community email support at minastech.ca. I'm hoping and praying you're able to join us so that we can protect you and help you out get back on track. All right, Shannon. You have any more questions, Shannon?
Thank you. Thank you. And God bless you. I will contact you, and please share what I'm supposed to do and the steps, please. Because yes, I joined in with Brian and
Yep.
the other person, and I've been listening to them. And yes, community is important. And I happen to be in the wilderness, and I'm all alone where I'm at. And I know this is part of my journey.
Well said, Shannon. What you need is a mentor, and a mentor and coaches.
Yes,
Guys, it's
exactly.
a kingdom principle. The Paul Timothy model, the Jesus and the 12 disciples. This is it. This is what we offer in here. I forgot to say this. In our affiliates, when you invite people, you can extend your memberships, or you can get free memberships. Right. So obviously you have to be in the program. But what I'm saying is, hey, now what we're offering is when you invite people, we extend your memberships. So email support.minastech.ca, Shannon, and we'll see what we can do for you as well there.
Yes,
Okay?
amen. Thank you. God bless everyone on the chat line.
All right, guys. I am within the hour. Thank you, Shannon. Don't worry, God's got you, Shannon. I believe it's no accident that God's shown you here in this program, guys. People are getting scammed left, right, and center. I'm gonna end with this. Now that this is the topic in here, guys. I'm gonna end with this. All these 200 plus people that was in this Zoom call, 322 is gonna be losing hundreds and thousands. Sorry, guys. Why is that thing showing? Close that. Sorry, guys. What is going on? Oops, that's why. All right, so guys, these 322 people, okay, there's 322 of them, 321. So many of this people are being scammed. There are AI trading bots out there, and all of them are scams. We have the only known working one. As I close this, guys, that's why we want to educate you guys. Check out my socials. Our Christmas party of our program is coming up. Love for you guys to join. That's actually tomorrow. And it's interesting because we're giving out a lot of prizes and games. But guys, we're here. This is in the community to help each other. I even jumped in this call. I was like, man, this is like, how could people be so gullible? They couldn't even turn on the cameras. They won't even let you type in the chat, because I was going to warn people this is all a scam. And obviously they're recruiting. It's a Ponzi scheme, and they're making money by recruiting more people. What is a Ponzi scheme? Okay, one person gets all the money at the top. They invite two people. The two gets shared at the top. They invite more, two people. As I close this, guys, cryptos is like, guys, there's so much scams out there. This opportunity that we have, I said this, fact, not hype. It is not fact over hype. I think I said I was going to close with this video. I think I have the video here. Let me see if I can have the video here. As I close with this video as well. I pulled this video here of the programs running for a few years, 3 years to date. There it is. There's a program here. So let me show this video here. So here's the video, guys. This is running an OKX exchange, $18,000, and here it is, $18 made. Okay, I believe Here it is. As you can see, here's the video of an actual exchange. OKX. Here it is. As you can see here, the last 30 days, $1,000 made, 99.65% win rate. Last 90 days, 1,807. I want to show you that this bot's been running since 2023. So as I close this, $15,000 made in total. Wow, $15,000 made in total since 2023 of total profits. Okay, you can see there 16,473 positions made. I want to show you this. Here it is. Here's the calendar. October 2025, September 2025, July 25th. We're going back in time. April, February 2025, December 2024, October, September 24, July, June 24, April, March, 8, February, January. Now in 2023, June, November. There it is. This account's been running since November 2023. There's the actual proof. All the crypto bots there are scams. That's why I'm like, I show my face, I show real proof. We got testimonials. Find me in the socials. We're over time by 4 minutes. As I close this, guys, this is like the first time a new technology has been even shown. Thank God for Prophet Manuel, the first prophet to prophesy about crypto AI trading. Okay. There isn't any prophet talking about crypto AI trading. He's been the first of a lot of things: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Zion Oil and Gas, or maybe not with first in Zion Oil and Gas. He talks about silver and gold. What I'm trying to say is many more prophets are going to start prophesying about crypto, about AI trading. Okay, mind you, this is not just crypto. Eventually, this is going to go to Forex, and it's going to go to options. It's going to go to stocks. This is it. There's only 200,000 plus users. We're very early on this. As I close this, guys, my prayer is that you join us, guys. Let this compound faster. And I said, that's what I said here, another landing the ship. As you compound this, start this early, guys. In 10 years, $29 million just by $5,000. Okay. And then with that being said, the earlier you start this, in the 10th year, this is just stupid numbers. You're making $2 million per month. And check this out. With $5,000, obviously everybody wants to make that $4,000 per month. As I close this is why I'm offering the 1 year membership for 1,200 plus and change. By year 3, you are what's considered a millionaire, making $1,000 a week. You're making $4,000 per month. By the end of the 4 years, you're making $11,000 per month. That's what I love to do for you guys. If you can't do the lifer or the year membership of 20K, do the 3K. We'll set you up for 3 years, for 3 months. Sorry. I also said this. We have a money back guaranteed, meaning, hey, if you're not making money, I will give you back your tuition and you can keep the program. Wow. So there it is. That's how confident I am. And if you're like, Erwin, I can't even do the 3,000, we'll set this up. And hopefully in 3 years or less, you can join us and you can join us in here. Okay. I think I'm officially done. Love you all, guys. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. I'm going to be in Florida December 30. Thank you for staying. I didn't talk to Anelli. So Anelli, I remember, I felt like the Lord's highlighting Anelli. And I love your smile. Anelli, I have to talk to you. Anelli, why are you so happy? Why are you smiling? Like,
God is good all the time. All the time, God is good. Long testimonies. It will take much time, but this is just the answer to prayer. You say, ask and we will receive. God has started changing my whole mindset towards abundance so that we can be what He wants us in the kingdom. So we kind of lost everything, long story, but it's amazing how He just get us back. And I was on your wife's podcast a few times. She had prayed for me. I was many times in yours. So eventually, and God just said, expect. And I'm so looking forward. I actually said to the Lord, but if you want me to be part, I know in my heart long time, but some lot of things happen. To be part of this family, let a blessing happen today. And 2 days ago was my birthday, and God gave me, when I put on my phone, it was 1:11. And it was, at the time, and Deuteronomy 1:11 just came to mind. And God said, He will bless me 1,000 times. So, winning this, whatever program, what you said, such a blessing. So I'm so excited for going forward. So, Colonel Saunders starts at 64, 65. So a blessing, and that's my heart, to bless my children and grandchildren to thousands of generations.
So
we are
good.
the same spiritual team. Praise God. Thank you for you guys. Bless you guys back 1,000 times too.
So
Yeah.
good. And I'm hearing an accent. Are you from Australia or somewhere else? Where are you from?
Yeah, also a little bit more to Africa side, South Africa.
You're South African. I'm telling you, I have to share this again. I am launching my level 2 version of this. Anelli, I think what I'm gonna do for you, since you won that program, I'd love giving away so much things. But Coach Isaac, Coach John, I'm gonna share my screen. So Anelli, what I'm gonna do for you, we're launching the new level 2. So Anelli, we have a way to make $4,000 per month, 15% per month, with just $26,000. I'm gonna gift that to you, Anelli, because I'm like, wow. So we're looking for South Africans, Australians, the first 12, and I'd love to gift this for you, 15%. Anelli, this is crazy. You're a millionaire with just $26,000. Like, this is crazy. You're gonna make $1,000 per week, and this is the low end. This thing can go as high as 30% to 40%. Technically, you can make 1,000 a week just by $13,000, Anelli. So I'm gonna gift that for you, because of your beautiful smile and you being here in this call. And where are my Americans at? Americans and Karine. By the way, Karine, you have this too. I know you're all the way from Australia. Guys, I'm just giving this all away. Where are my Americans at? Shannon and Mike, I got you guys. Trump is going to turn this on. I am so excited. He's gonna turn this on for you guys. I'm planning to sell this program for $40,000 per year. Guys, once again, I am targeting people who has $100,000. This is going to make, they're gonna ROI, they're gonna make $15,000 per month. You guys are about to have this potentially 3 to 6 to 9 months from now. This can be turned on, and I'm so excited. Like, Anelli, you got this. Karine, you got this. Anybody else that's not like in there? I'm excited, and I'm excited because, guys, truly, I believe, I'm truly landing the ship now, Anelli and everyone. I believe this technology is straight from heaven. AI, artificial intelligence, just like, I'm starting to read the book of Enoch. He gave the technology of cosmetology. Where are my females at? You guys love makeup? You guys love makeup, right? Love makeup. That's straight from heaven. And he gave the weapons of metals, technology of metals, straight from heaven. Just for fun, they released that there. The fallen angels gave that technology. I believe blockchain, crypto, and AI is in heaven. It's going to be in the new heaven, in the new earth. This technology will continue to exist. And now he's giving it out. And guys, I believe we've solved world hunger. I believe we've solved poverty. And why am I doing the 40K program? So Anelli and Karine, I'm priming you guys up, because now when you help me find people with 40K, let's do the math. They're going to pay $40,000. Okay. And I'm going to give upwards to 30% for your affiliation, meaning you got them in. I will also give, for every person you bring in, I will give you $12,000 for every person you bring in. Okay. I've been giving $6,000 for people bringing in the 20K. You guys are going to get up to $12,000 bringing in. And this, what is this? More tides, more money. This is not the bot money, guys. This has nothing to do with this. This is money made here. This is just an extra bonus. This is not how you get the money. You get the money because the bot is actually doing money, buy low, sell high, buy low for you. And as I close this, when I shown you guys in the notepad, now I lost the notepad. This extra piece, oh, okay, I lost it. This extra piece is just extra. It's just extra. It's just a fill. It's like, oh, cool. Like this is an extra. So Anali, Corinne, welcome to the program. I think I'm gonna close now. I'm super duper overtime. Guys, I love you all. Merry Christmas, advance Happy New Year. If you guys are in Charlotte, I think January 24th is I'm trying to find a host. I'm gonna be in my wife and I and our 7 beautiful children is gonna be in Orlando the whole month of January, February, March. Hopefully you guys are around the area. Visit me. There it is, Anali. There it is. Anali, Corinne, keep me in mind. I would love to have South Africa and Australia ambassadors. Bring me to your country. And I've actually been to South Africa. I haven't been to Australia. That's actually my dream because I want to go to Hillsong when Hillsong was okay. So, Corinne, hopefully I'm not getting that wrong. Corinne, I think you are from Australia. Anali, you're from South Africa. I love your meets, Anali from South Africa. I'm looking for ambassadors. Pam, in your cities. Mike, I don't know what cities you are. Joseph, I'm looking for ambassadors in your cities. Guys, this is going to explode. When I say this is going to explode, we are just in the early stages. 200,000 users. Okay, $63 million generated. 22, 23, 24. It's actually 2 years. 2 years, $63 million generated. I believe 2024 was a $100 million year. I believe it was $163 million generated. We're going to be shocked at December 31, 163. We're going to cross $1 billion of generated in here. So I'm excited. So guys, thank you for staying. I know that was 3 hours. Thank you, Karin, for dropping by. Welcome to our new members, Mike, Anali, all you guys there. Coach John, if you guys can play the outro video, that would be great. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you for joining today's webinar. We trust.
Yep.
Thank you for joining today's webinar. We trust you learned something clear and useful you can apply right away. Thank you for joining today's webinar. We trust you learned something clear and useful you can apply right away. If this helped you, share the replay with a friend.